Morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in, welcome in. It is a new day. It is a new live stream for the New York session. I'm glad to be here. Good to see you guys here. Good to see you guys are fired up. Got W's in the chat. We're gonna make today count, and we're gonna do it up big here today, chat. So let's get started. Let me zoom. Oh, I got my other glasses on. Hold on one sec. All right, perfect. All right, Zoom link is out. Good morning, everyone. Good to see you all. Stephen B, good morning, sir. Good morning, Dennis Hood. Good morning, Mike Go. YOLO Traders in the house. What up, YOLO Trader? What up, Louis G? What's good, Ewan? What up, Gotta Trade? Good to see you guys. What up, Chill Spot? Marvette. What up, Marvette? What's good, everyone? Welcome in, TTW. LeGrand in the house. How's it going, LeGrand? What up, AJ? What's good, Cheeky? What up, Cheeky Monkey? What up, Chala? What's up, Xander? How you doing? All right, everyone's here, ready to go. What up, Kelvin? Good morning, guys. Thank you guys for all the W's. Thank you guys for all the congratulations, and most importantly, thank you guys for the prayers. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Brought in a new baby boy yesterday, shortly after the live stream. Wifey was ready to go for real. Yeah, but we're back. It's another day. It's another opportunity here to get to work, to get to business here, stay professional, stay disciplined, and we're gonna have a good time here today. Let me switch my blue lights because these ones are the real deal. They make my candles look purple. Hero of the Day's in the house. What up, Hero of the Day? What up, Moose the Jab? What up, George VDM? What's good? Bring out the whole baby boy. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, what up, Yanosh? All right, what's good, everyone? Prayed for you, brother. Oh, yes. Thank you, man. Yeah, no, most importantly, thank you guys for your prayers. Briefly, got to the hospital. Only took about an hour. Once she went into labor, but once she was ready to go, it was literally one contraction, 3 pushes, baby was out, beautiful, by the hands of God, job well done. Yeah, job well done. And it's all thanks to the power of prayer, all thanks to the power of us coming together as a community. It's no surprise we gathered in prayer, 1,300 of us yesterday, called the blessing, commanded the blessing upon it, and when you ask, you shall be given, my friends. So beautiful job. Thank you guys so much for all that. And yeah, ready to go. Baby should be coming home today, later tonight. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we had a boy. Yep. All right, let's get going. We'll chat about that maybe later. Let's get the day started here. I think I'm all good on Zoom. Let me just share my screen, and then did I share my screen? Yeah, I did. Yeah. Let me grab my tools here, and then we're gonna get started here. So, big up from Madagascar. Yo. All right, chat. Let's get rocking and rolling. It is, what time is it? It is 7:07 here. So let's get started here. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome to another live stream here. By Time to Eat. If you guys can like the stream as you settle on in here, that'd be awesome. We're going to get started here. Again, it is the 24th, right, of January. Is it 24th? Yeah, 24th of January here, Wednesday. We got a sea of red folders out here today, but today's going to be just another normal day to be disciplined, to be professional, and keep it funky, business as usual. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're ending the month here of January in just I think next week we end the month here. So coming on the tail end of January, first month of the year, been pretty quiet here, but things should begin to ramp up as we move into February, and then especially as we move into March, April, May, and June. Those are going to be incredible months here for us. So stick around for the greatness, and always be on the lookout for these gems, man. So let's go ahead and take a look at the news here today. So a lot of red folders, not much happening for the US dollar, but we do have some news coming on with the CAD, and then we also have USD PMI here at 945 today. So we're pretty clean for NY Open, pretty clean for 815, 830 here, where volume should begin to dump in. But then once 945 comes around, we've got to be aware of what's happening and check numbers here and see where we're at. So that's pretty much all we got for the news. Later on, 10:30 crude oil inventories, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it today. So let's go ahead and jump into the charts. And before we do, we will pray. We talked about praying, but we did not pray. So let's pray now before we do a top-down analysis. Lord, we thank you for another day, Lord. Let us rejoice in it. Let us be glad in it. Whatever's going on, let us endure it, Lord. We thank you for all that you've given us. I pray that you would guide us on this path, on our trading journey, Lord. I pray that you would continue to bless those that are coming in here today, whether they're here now or they're coming in later, Lord. I pray a blessing upon them and their family. And Lord, I just pray that you would go before us here today. Bless our path. We invite you into the stream with us here today. We thank you, Lord. More of you, less of me. And we just give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen, amen. Amen, amen. Thanks for the reminder, Lord. Oh, Lord. All right, cool. Let's get into the charts here today and see what we got going on. So, yeah, amen's in the chat. Amen, amen. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly time frame here, and looks like we are coming back up here. So remember, we had very little to no top wick on the weekly candle. Looks like this current candle is on its way back up. Just flipped bullish here, so we'll see what the weekly candle wants to do. There's still 3 more sessions for us on this current weekly candle, but we've come down and now we're starting to flip bullish here. So again, I think overall the weekly's job was to retest that support, which this candle right here did, right? This guy right here. So we don't really know what this candle wants to do. It came down, it's starting to move back up. Overall, we are bearish. We should expect that wick to be filled, but there can be a support formed right here, because if we kind of remove all this, then what that would do is that would be creating a support above this range here, right? And if we create a support above this range here, then there's a high chance that we can close bullish, and then next week here we can continue up, right? So that's what we have going on. This area is a pretty crucial area here. We'll pay attention to it, especially the support level down here as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily, see how we can find some positions here today. So daily is bullish, right? There is a wick to fill. There is a support that has been formed here. One thing about the daily is we had these major supports right here. All right, supports right here. Candle moved up, created resistance, closed bearish, but where did it close? It closed above the range here, right? So it closed above this overall high level of support. So that means we are still in positions to move up, right? Move up towards like 2060, 2059 up here and fill this range. Now, there is a daily wick fill ahead of us. There's also another wick right here. I believe if you get past those wicks, you should have a nice smooth ride up towards that resistance there. So we'll see, man. This daily candle could be a juicer. We've already created a pretty nice bottom wick, and now we're beginning to fill the wick here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour has a very strong support right here. We also have a resistance right here, and it looks like the last 4-hour candle closed right at it. Right here, right at this resistance. There is a wick to fill. I believe that's going to be our daily wick fill there. And that will be our first and initial target today, or at least my first and initial target is going to be this wick fill right here. So right now we did close above. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 30. 30 did create support here for us. So technically we did close above here on the 30. We should have a clean move up. What time is it? 7. Let's see how the 15-minute candle closes here. We may get some rejection and come down a little bit now to make a steeper bottom wick here. and then we may have some positions here right around NY Open, maybe a little bit before NY Open, to see if we can take advantage of this range right here. So it's about a 50 pip range here, and again, if we do break through these highs, then you should see 2041 today, and then yeah, might even be able to get further up. So that's going to be what I'm looking at here for today. Gonna wait on the 15, see how we close here. It'd be awesome if we can close with no bottom wick. That would tell me that the 30-minute candle is good on its bottom wick, and then we could potentially look for positions there at the break of the highs. Yeah, you got about a 35 pip move up. If not, we wait. Or I'll wait on the resistance here to form, and then potentially, you know, a fake out or something right here for NY Open for us to create support and then begin our move up at that point. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking at here for gold. We are pretty bullish based off the day, and then if we are going to take sells here today, probably going to look to take sells below 2029 here. Yeah, 2029 here today. You got a nice clean move. I believe these were like very similar ranges to yesterday. So yeah, so that's what we'll do, or that's what I'll do here, based off of what we got going on price action wise, and that's it. Simple day here on gold. Very, very simple day. Yeah. Yeah, this looks good. If we can get a fake out here and then a support, right before NY Open, that would be awesome too. Yeah, very little to no bottom wick on that 30 as well. Yep. Yeah, it looks good. You know what would be ideal? That fake out right there, what that would do is not only will that give the 30-minute candle a bottom wick, right? But that'll also give the 1 hour candle a steeper bottom wick. And then if we get the 15 to create the support, then that means we get this celery looking play, right? So you get a celery play right here, and then we can take our buys moving up at NY Open. Yeah, that's so on the 15 it would look like a onion. On the 30-minute it would look like a nice like basically celery slash pack runner, and then the 1 hour look like a nice celery play. Yeah. Yeah, so that's going to be what I got going on here for gold today. So just going to stay out of this range here. Not going to really touch anything within this zone. Going to call this the red zone here, the red range, the no trade range. There's our 30-minute bottom wick, by the way, too. But anything above is pretty clean, pretty tradable, right? Pretty tradable, even way up here towards like 59 here today. And then anything below looks pretty clean here as well. So that's what I got going on here for gold. And that's it. You know, simple day. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait it out. Yeah. Cool. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here as well and see what we got. Oh, damn. GJ's bleeding. Yeah, let's take a look at the weekly here. Yeah, what do you know? Weekly never broke the high and is moving down. So this is, you know, we've been talking about this happening throughout the last couple days. So daily is really struggling here after this candle closing with no top wick. So still really no decision on the daily, right? That daily candle yesterday closed another weak doji, but clearly the bullish volume is beginning to run out here, right? A lot of weaker candles struggling in this 188 zone here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours just chopping around. I think when we get a breakout here on GJ, you're gonna see a nice move here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. I mean the 1 hour here. So 1 hour is moving down pretty heavy. So you got a resistance. You also have a support right here that we're probably gonna tap into now. Candles are moving down here with no top wicks as well. So yeah, just a bit of a range here on GJ. What's the size of this range? Oh wow, 70 pip range. Okay, so yeah, so here's what we could plan on pound yen today, right? So you got a new range, right? You're diving back into this zone right here. So if we can either close below it, probably gonna be more so 187. Yeah, 187 390 here. Or if we get this candle to pull back on us, right, then you have a nice clean move coming down that we could potentially take advantage of if we can really see this candle coming down to break the lows here today. So pound yen's in a bit of a tough situation here. There was a lot of news that came out for the pound today as well. So we don't want to really get too aggressive here on GJ today. Let's let some new price action, new ranges form up, and then I think we'll have better ideas on where price wants to go here today. Yeah, because for all we know, we may just literally pull back, right? Close doji here today. So yeah, GJ not looking the hottest here. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Nas, holy. Oh my God. Yeah, Nas on a non-stop bull run here. Nothing can stop the Nas bull run. Yeah, you close a no top wick too there on the daily. Yeah, it gets tough here. Not gonna lie, it gets a bit tough on Nas. Not much price action for us to really go off of. So all we know is we have a resistance up top here on the 1 hour, right? Let's take a look at the 30-minute. You got a resistance and you got a support, and that's pretty much it, right? Pretty much it here. So if you get closures below like this support here, there may be opportunities to take sells. If you get closures above resistance, then I don't, there's really no plan for buys there. So there's nothing we can really do about that. So yeah, we'll see if we can continue down, right? If we can kind of come down like this and create some new structure, some new like clean ranges, right? And then kind of create support or something down there. Maybe candle close at like no bottom wick, something like that. Yeah, then we have like trade ranges to trade, but right now there's really no room to take buys. Yeah, no room with a plan. Yeah, so gold is pretty much the only loan looking pretty decent right now. You did get that 30-minute pack runner. You are potentially getting that 15 support, and then we may get this 1 hour seller here. So let's just wait on gold here, and then should be good to handle business. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's the day. Oh, sheesh. Did I send the Zoom link? Wow. Did not even send that Zoom link. All right, now the Zoom link is officially out. Sorry, guys. What up, TK? What's goody? What's goody? What's good, Dominic? What up, Travis? What up? What up? What's good, everyone? To the moon. Yeah, NASDAQ to the moon. NASDAQ to the moon. Hey, who's seen the moon today? Whoa. Moon was crazy today. Triple Daddy needs a cookie. Man, cookies and coffee. What's up, George Young? Thanks, bro. I'm looking for the moon. Go check it out, bro. That thing is insane today. Holy. Nas did. Yeah. No day off? No days off, Dominic. No days off. No days off, brother. Every day is a blessing. Every day there's exciting things happen. If I took a day off every blessed day and every excited day, I'd never work a day in my life, man. We just got to keep moving, keep doing what we do, and yeah. Yeah, had a little boy yesterday, literally probably couple hours after we got off stream. Yeah, so we had the baby. Beautiful little boy. Hey, good morning, Joseph. Good morning, everyone in Zoom land. How y'all doing? Yeah, I was telling everyone before. I'm sure more people pulled up, but hey, thank you guys so much for your prayers. Honestly, like the power of prayer, there's nothing like it. Everything just happened so flawlessly, so seamlessly. It was hard not to say, wow, that was a work of the Lord, right? That was a work of the prayers of the Lord's people. So it was just absolutely seamless, gang. So thank you guys so much. Yeah, they were just waiting for me. My wife's like, yo, you almost here? Like, it's time. I'm like, yeah, I'm pulling in right now. And yeah, once I got there, all the doctors was like, hey, we're just waiting on you, brother. I'm like, all right, well, I'm here. Let's get the party started. And literally 5-6 minutes later, we had a little baby boy. Yeah. All the moms out there, all the parents who know, some of you guys are going to be like, what the heck's he talking about? But literally this is the power of prayer, all right? Power of prayer. Power of God. 1 contraction, 3 pushes, baby out. Quick. Perfect position. Just amazing. Actually, when we gathered in prayer with like 1,400 people, when John said a prayer yesterday, thank you guys for joining in on that, because the baby was like super sideways from what I heard. And no lie, when the doctors were explaining to me, right around that time that we were praying, baby popped perfectly right into place and got ready to roll. Yeah, man. Yep. Yeah, so baby number 3. So now we got you know what's crazy, gang? Like vision, man, for real. Like everything is going just as we planned, right? We wanted a nice we wanted a little girl first, so she could kind of play that mother role, and you know, and then the 2 boys, and they're here. Alea's here, Maverick's here, and now our other little man's here. So just incredible, man. I really encourage all the men out there to get a vision for your family. Pray with your wife, pray with your family, right? Ask, my friends, and it'll be given. Not only given to you, but pressed down, shake it together, blessed up, man. Yeah. A+ setup, not yet. A+ setups happen with the right setup at the right time, right? And right now is not the right time, right? Because we already kind of moved through pre-New York, right? This is where volume comes in pre-New York, and now you're rolling into like this 7:30 time. So this is like, now is the time where it's like we should now wait for the next set of volume, right? And that next set of volume will come in at 8 a.m. So that'll be in about 30 minutes. So I think that's when we're most likely going to get the move. But look, you did close with very little to no bottom wick. So we're also waiting on this 15 support as well here. So we did break the lows there on the 30. Our best option here would be waiting on NY open and taking an entry at the break of those highs. If this candle can come back up and close like weak bearish, then I think we'll get a straight run up to, if we break the highs, we'll get a straight run up to 2038 here. God is good. Yes, amen. Today will be a fantastic day. Already is? Yes, sir. Every day. Every day. Every day is just a fantastic one, my friends. Hero of the day. Yeah, he was a a breakout. Yeah, onion / breakout / celery play. Worked out perfect. All time frames lined up. Oh, we're on the move here. We're on the move on this 15. Baby was a 9:30 seller. Yeah. Imagine he came at 9:30. He was born at I think it was 4:34. 4:34, I believe. One contraction, TP got smashed. Yeah, and you know we didn't know what we were gonna have, so it was pretty cool. Honestly, I like that better than the whole like gender reveal. I like the whole, you know, seeing the gender at the birth. That was pretty cool. Name of the babies, Mustajab? Yeah, Mustajab. Nah, we named him Kingston. So we named him Kingston. We're probably going to call him King. And, yeah. Yeah, we had a few different names in mind, but that's the one we ended up going with. Prayers were volume. Amen. Amen. Started journaling my trades now. It just feels different. Waiting for the right setups. No more random trades. Isn't it such a breath of fresh air? Right? When you actually can journal your trades, you keep a track of them, you get committed to the process, right? You go in there and you're like, I don't want to write something up where I know I didn't follow my plan, you know, and that begins to guide you as a professional. It begins to guide you because professional traders, they track their data, right? So if you're not tracking your data, that's not to say that you can't be profitable, but you're much less likely to be profitable, right? A lot of you know, that's you're gonna be a rare occasion, right? To I don't need to track my trades, I know what I'm doing, blah blah blah, and just win at the highest levels. Most people need to track it, you know. Most people need to track trades in order to, and you feel involved, you feel committed, and it's a good feeling, man. So I encourage you all to continue to track your trades and seek out the data so that way you can get better, right? You can know what's working, what's not working. You can know when you're literally not taking a playbook trade or your system, you know, anytime you're going against your system, you're going to know it. You're going to know it. Yo, PM Magnifico, what's good? The levels are yeah, the levels right now, I got buys here above 2031 965 and then sells below 2029 216, and it looks like gold may be ready to run here. So I really want to wait for NY open, because I know if we wait on a celery, now we may miss that celery, but I know if we do wait on it, it'll be a super duper A+ setup, and we should fill that wick fairly quickly at NY open. So I think I'm gonna wait here and wait on the NY open and look to potentially take this 1 hour celery play. If we can close pretty much exactly what you see right here, that will be perfecto. Yeah, that'll be perfect. Hat trick. Do a hat trick in. Yeah, pound news pushing GJ down, I'm assuming here, and US 30 chopping around here. Chopping. Yeah, let's see the 4 hour again here. Yeah, if this 4 hour can create resistance, that'd be awesome. Then we could potentially anticipate a move back down, and our sells would be after breaking those lows too. So yeah. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? How you feeling today, brother? Oh, Sergio TT Bank Santos in the building. Happy birthday, Mike. Hey, happy birthday, Mike. Mike? How can we score a hat trick like you? Vision. Let's hit 1K likes. Hey, let's hit 1K likes for Mr. Kingston here today. Can we do that? Hat trick. Oh, AB Mike's birthday. Hey, yo, okay. I'm like, who's Mike? Mike? Like, you You gotta say AB Mike, man. Happy birthday, bro. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great day. You got any good plans for today? What's the plans today, AB Mike? Thank you, Z Gamer. Thank you. Yeah, let's get 1,000 likes for the boy King here today. Yeah, let's get 1,000 likes for AB Mike here today too. Hey, shout out to Dino's mom in the car riding with a legend. Yeah, you must be so proud of Dino. Good man. What a good man. AB Mike, yeah, happy birthday, bro. How old are you today? How old are you today, AB Mike? WB Mike, yo, remember? Whoa, Stewart in the building. What up, whoa? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 28 years young. Yeah, there you go. See, I was waiting to see if you were gonna correct me. Good job, bro. He ain't old, he's young. Hey, good morning, Marcus. What's good, brother? Joe Stewart in the building. Oh, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Yeah. Nothing like a mom's love, eh? GJ, what we doing? Talk to me. Tell me what to do. Buy or sell? Buy or sell, my friend? Hey, man, Mike, AB Mike, let's go. See, AB Mike been saying that. He's a real one. What up, Uncle Joey 10 Pips? How you feeling today, brother? Are we buying or selling here on GJ? My attention has been called here. Joey 10 Pips. $34 lots. It. 34. Yeah, what a great day. What a great day. Can you review my trade? Yeah, let's review it. Where is it? In Discord, charts for stream, I'm sure. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look, AJ. All right. Hey, if you guys aren't in our Discord, you can join the free Discord here. Let's take a look at AJ's trade here. So previous daily candle closed bullish, correct? Previous 4-hour closed above. Okay. Let me open this up a little bit. So previous 4-hour candle closed above. Anticipating this 4-hour candle would move bullish, rejecting 4-hour highs or rejecting 4-hour support. All right, cool, cool. Let's see what's next. Looking like a good trade. Candle closed above. Took buys on the break of the previous high. Move stops to break even. 13 pips in profit. Beautiful. Just textbook. Textbook right there. Perfect. What time was that? Was that London Open? Yeah, that's a beautiful play here, gang. So go into this. This is a perfect example of an A+ setup. Right? Daily bullish, 4-hour close bullish, anticipating the next candle to move up. Waited for the 1-hour closure. Stops below the previous candle, and TP, yeah, I guess you were targeting up here, but yeah, beautiful. Yeah, you want it. This is your advantage point right here, right? Because if you look right in that zone, this is where price may, right? This is where there could be a problem, right? So it's smooth all the way up, and then we come into this blue box here, and then that's where the price can give your trade a problem, right? Because slow it up, put it to a halt. So that's where you either want to go break even, or you know, like close some partials and stuff. So yeah, A1 trade, beautiful job. Proud of you, proud of you. Yeah, you're getting awesome at trading, man. I'm telling you. Yep, love the improvements. Love the improvements, my friend. Hold up for us here, gold. Nice. A few of you guys took that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, great trade. I'm not sure what time was that. Looked like it was. Where was that? Oh, nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Stay away from them. Yo, stay away from them Kiki pancakes, bro. Hey, AJ, what time was that trade taken? I'm just curious. Yeah, TK got the omelet. Had things to do that day. Oh, man. Yo, those Kiki pancakes will put you out. They're when they bring them to the table next to you, they're intimidating. Yeah, TK. When me and TK went to Kiki's, I had to just do one waffle, man. Had things to do that day. Like TK said. Yo, what up, FX Snipe? What's good? What's good? Good morning, or good afternoon, I think, for you. I forget. Where you at? Where you at, FX Snipe? Are you in the U.S.? I don't think so, right? Almost an hour ago, I took 20 pips on gold. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah. Remember that that 6 a.m. is typically a pretty nice candle here. If it doesn't do it at 6 a.m., typically the next move will pop at 8 a.m. So. Joe. Good morning, all. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Anti-up ace. Anti-up ace. I like that. Yeah, so considering when I take a trade, always use the current candle low. Considering that if it breaks the high of the previous candle, it shouldn't re-break the low again. Yeah, that is true. That is true. Anytime you can, though, I like to use previous candle stops because then it leaves you room for management, right? So like let's say you have previous candle stops as your stop here, and then you're entering up here. If price does go against you, it gives you a shot. Like let's say you're risking like 2% on the trade, or let's just say you're risking, let's say you're risking 2% down here on these lows, right? And you get activated up here. What you can do a lot of times is you can use this range here for management. So in case price goes against you, you can kind of cut your 2% loss somewhere in this range here to like maybe 1%. Yeah, maybe even 0.5%, depending on how you manage it. Yeah. (1:30 a.m.) Okay, nice. So pre-London. Pre-London. Let's go. How you feeling, Nick? You get some good sleep? Of course. Slept like a baby, brother. GJ big sell coming up. I think the big sell even just happened too. Yeah. Yeah, also if you can use like structure too, like what I mean by that is like, let's try and find an example here. So like, let's say you're taking a trade here. This isn't a bad idea either. Like, you know how we would normally kind of keep our stops, like let's say either right here or right here. If you can kind of keep it above the structure itself, then even like right here, like that's the real structure there, then now you leave yourself plenty of room to drive. And as you can see this, you can still get a lot of times like a 2-to-1 out of these positions. So if you can, because now look, this whole range here, you leave for management, right? For trade management if price goes against you. Oh, what happened here? Oh, wow, we broke the highs there. And then right back down. Oh, we did not break the highs yet. Okay. Yeah, we didn't break the highs yet. Yeah, so we're still potentially looking for this 1 hour seller here in about 15 minutes. Why not take the trades pre-New York? So I've found that the best time to really take the trade pre-New York is between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. So now we're in between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. That's typically where you get like the hold up. Sometimes it's gonna run, you know, sometimes it's gonna run, but most times is what at this time is where I see price slow down to then begin to speed back up for NY Open. So that's why a lot of times you'll see me sit out between like 7:30 to 8 a.m. because you know, a lot of times it's gonna try and set the move up for NY Open. Yeah, like I consider pre-New York like 5:30 to like 7. And then 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. again typically is like that. Less like, it's like setting things up, if that makes sense. At least from my experience. That's kind of what I've seen. Joe Stewart, how'd you sleep? How'd you sleep, my man? I put Joe to work yesterday. I had him working for me. I used them up. Put the man to work. Hope the wife and family are good. Yes, they are. Thank you, Total FX. They are incredible. They're not good. They're great, man. Yeah, thank you so much. A little tired in the morning, but still got that workout in? Yeah, you better. You better get that workout in. Okay. Had Uncle Joe babysitting yesterday. Yeah, if we are going to take sells on pound yen, we got to wait. All right, we got to wait for a pullback here. So Daly's trying to get down here, man. Trying to get down here. That's your daily low right there, right here. Previous daily low. Yeah, I think it's this one actually. Yeah. So we need a pullback, right? If we can get a nice pullback and a resistance form, that'd be great. And then we could look to take sells coming down. All right, if the daily really wants to move down today, what you'll see is this candle most likely close bullish, right? Looking like this. More candles coming up. And then a potential resistance formed, right? So you get a candle, maybe a fake out, closing no top wick. These are all leading signs to a potential resistance formed. And then we could take our sells from up here as price comes back down to retest that support level, right? A simple downtrend. So come down, move up, create resistance, retest support, and we're in and out. Bada bing, bada boom. In and out, aka probably take like an hour and a half, especially on GJ. Yeah, look at this. So this is why I like to wait, right? Because a lot of times you'll get, I've noticed things don't work that well between like 7:15 and 8 a.m. Let's get to 1K likes today. Yeah, I dig it. I dig it, Louis G. Marcus. Why don't you consider 2035 resistance? Because I do consider it resistance. But I feel that as we move up, as we move into NY Open here, see this wick? This wick will most likely get tapped. It'll most likely break the, if we break the current 4-hour high again at NY Open, which would be our entry, then we should have a straight shot up towards that wick fill. And this resistance right here will most likely just get blasted through like dynamite coming into the market. So I think you know, that's why I'm okay to trade here. Yeah. But it's got to happen during high times of volume. We have to have dynamite coming in order to blast through these resistances here and fill that wick. So we've been waiting potentially patiently here on a 1-hour celery. We'll see if we can get it. What up, Green? What's good? What's good? Yep. Tell us about this week, bro. New baby, legit prop firm, the best week in 2024. No, I think better weeks are coming. Yeah, I think better weeks are coming, man. I think we're just getting started. And as I've been saying since last year, 2024, we go to new levels. We go to new levels, my friends. And I'm very determined to get to those new levels. I feel called to those new levels. And anyone with me will go to those new levels. And I've been saying this for many years now. And we've just continued to level up year after year after year. And we're going to continue to have much better days, right? Because Bible says what you sow, you'll reap. And we sow good, quality, prosperous things into our life every day. And that's why we get prosperity, right? That's why we win, because we plant the seeds day in and day out to set us up. I believe there's, in a way, luck, but luck is also positioning and probability. And if you can position yourself in the right places, put the probability in your favor, and plant the right seeds, then my friend, you will be called very lucky, right? People will call you a very lucky man or woman, but they don't understand the behind the scenes work that goes into the positioning and that goes into setting the probabilities up in your favor. So that's why we preach all the time. Continue to plant those seeds. Continue to plant seeds of what you want, right? When you go to plant a garden, you don't just throw random seeds in there. You want to know, hey, what plants do I want, right? And then whatever plant you want to grow, you go and purchase that seed, right? And then you plant that seed. So if you plant a banana, or I'm sorry, if you plant an apple seed, you don't expect to get oranges, right? So same thing, if you eat crap during the day, don't expect to be fit, right? If you eat healthy food and you exercise, you should reap what that seed will, or you should be able to reap what that seed produces, right? So you got to understand what it is that you want. What seed do you want to plant in your own life, in your own mind? And then you've got to do the work, right? You've got to water it. You've got to scratch the soil and do the right things day in and day out, so that way you can position yourself and put the probabilities in your favor to have more and more blessed days and just continue to level up. It's the level up. What up, Perez? Green spam rockets. Anillo's in the house. Hey, what up, Anillo? Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, 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 yeah. And guess what? You'll know them by their fruit too, right? Right? Very easily I can kind of tell right off the bat in a conversation with someone where they're at by what they say, how they talk about themselves, how they talk, or the perspective that they have on whatever given topic we're speaking of. And I know exactly where someone's at. So, you know, speak what you want, my friends. Begin to think about what you want, speak about it, and then have your actions line up with those thoughts and those words. Hey, thanks, Vito. Appreciate that, man. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. I said it like twice already, but I know there's more and more people coming in. Thank you guys so much for your prayers. Yesterday, we did deliver a little baby boy not too long after the live stream. And everything was just so seamless, so flawless. And I just want to thank you for your prayers. There's so much power in prayer. And yeah, we're just super grateful. So thank you guys so much. And now we're back here for another day. I told you guys, man. I told you. I was like, yeah, I think my wife's going to have this baby today. Yeah. Yeah. Literally 1 contraction, 3 pushes. Brand new baby. Yep. Beautiful, healthy boy. The doctors were astonished. Bing bong. You had the baby already? Yeah, we did. We had the baby yesterday. Yep. Yeah, not too long after the live stream. Yeah, so our third little man, or our third baby, our second little man. Thanks. Yeah, no, seriously, thank you guys for your prayers, though, because I truly believe in the power of prayer. And like I said, like, they were just waiting for me. Yeah, my wife's like, yo, are you almost here? I'm like, yeah, I'm pulling in now. And literally 12 minutes after that, we had a baby in our hands. It's nuts. Yeah, yeah. And today's also AB Mike's birthday. Happy birthday, AB Mike. The day after little Kingston. Oh yeah. Got in there, got even more prayed up. You know, we gathered in prayer. It's no surprise. We gathered in prayer yesterday with like 1,400 people on the live stream. So it's no surprise to how it all went down, really. Yeah, my wife is perfect. Perfect. Yeah. She drove herself? Yeah, she did. She did drive herself. Yeah. Brother Joe had to drop me off over there. Because, you know, we still got the other kids here, so. Got the other little rascals here. Yeah. 1 second, guys. All right. So NY Open is coming up here in 1 minute. And maybe our patience will pay off here. Yo, what up, Sam, man? Good morning, bro. Good morning. This week has been so choppy. Yeah, it has been. Yep. Yo, what up, Shetty? Shetty in the building. Holy. Yeah, of course, man. You know I'm here. We're here, man. We don't just talk it, gang. We live it. We live it, man. We're committed. Congrats, bro. Thank you, Ace. Appreciate that. Baby and mom are absolutely perfect. Yeah, like I said, flawless. It was a flawless delivery, flawless entrance. All right. So we've got 10 seconds here for NY Open. We are still remaining above here on the 1 hour. So yeah, it looks pretty solid here. I am going to have a buy stop here on the break of these highs. Gonna look to target those wicks up there. Gonna keep my stops below this previous candle low here as well. So yeah, that's gonna be the move here for me. And we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. We should have volume coming in though. And should have a nice run up towards like 2038 here. Buy stop. Yeah, this is what the position's gonna look like. Something just like this. And there is a resistance right here that we're gonna look to target. So if we get activated, that's going to be the play. Yeah, we may have a bleeder at... Yeah, that's true, AB Mike. Possibly. Let's see... Kingston's gonna have a great empire. Yeah, he's got a brother and sister waiting for him, so we'll get him right into action. All right, let's see if we could break these highs, and we should have a straight run up towards like 2038 here if we do. What up, Johnny boy? Hold on a sec. Let me get John up here. Yo, how we feeling, bro?
Hey, yo, good morning, brother.
How we doing?
Oh, we're doing great, bro. How about yourself?
How we doing, Uncle John?
Oh, we're feeling great, bro. How you feeling? I know you're feeling real good.
Blessed and highly favored, as always.
I like to hear it, so I like to hear it.
Yeah.
That's correct, too.
Yeah.
It's another day blessed by God, so how could you not be happy?
Amen. Amen. Let us rejoice and be glad in it, baby. I'll be right back, John.
I bet. Bear all things with joy, like the Bible says, y'all. But good morning, chat. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are ready to win the day. Have a great day at the charts. Great day with your family. Great day, whatever it may be, right? Let's just be great. Yay, what's good, YOLO Trader? My man. Another day to show patience, prove to ourselves that we're professional traders, right? We just need to build trust with ourselves at the end of the day, I believe. Focused on the process, right? Of developing the skill, focused on the process of building professional trade. What's up, Miko, Yanosh? What up, boys? Sergio, what up, my man?
Yanosh.
XXS's, good morning. Total FX, good morning. Hey, thank you, Felix. Appreciate that. What's up, Sandman?
Sandman. The man, Sandman.
Sandman.
Johnny Gems. Today's AB Mike's birthday. Big birthday, big birthday.
Happy birthday, AB Mike. Hope you're gonna have a great day celebrating.
Yes, sir. You got any big plans? Oh yeah, I think I asked you that already. I don't think I seen I might have missed it. Any plans for the birthday?
What's the plans, brother? Yeah, man. What a day, Nick. Yesterday, what a day.
I know.
One for the books.
For the books. What's my buy stop at? Right here, above the break of those highs. Right around 2034, 550-ish.
Hello, GG. Hello, okay.
Okay.
I like this a lot. It looks really good on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and also daily. Feel that wick.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, we break the highs, we should shoot up here.
That's what you want to see, chat. Everything making sense, right? On the higher time frames, it's literally making a complete story, putting the puzzle together. That's what we want to see.
Yeah.
And when do wicks get filled, right? Times of volume.
Yep. Let's go. Where will I go? BE? I will go BE. I should be activated here in a sec. Yeah, I'm in. All right, lovely. So yeah, so I'm gonna be looking to hold up into this wick fill right here and secure some profits around that area, and then look to target that other wick up there. Yeah. Yeah, so gonna go 80% closure right around there. Yeah. Yeah, we should have a nice straight run up there now. Oh, I don't know why my pip counter's not on here. Hold on one sec. Oh, you know what? I think the pip counter was on the other. Yeah, I think I put it on the other account. Damn. Yeah, I think I put it on the other account. Yeah, I'm activated too. I'm in here. We in here. We in here.
Me in it. Me in it. See that value.
1 hour salary play. So it looks pretty good. We've been waiting for this all morning here, so. Yeah, my bad about the trade counter. I got it hooked up to my other account by mistake here. I got to get everything in order, man. I wasn't really here yesterday to fix some of the things that we had over here, so. Let me just take a pic of this. Put it in Discord.
Where's your stops at, Nick?
My stops are sitting below the previous 1 hour candle. Right? Yeah,
Gotcha.
below the previous 1 hour candle. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, we should have a straight run up as once volume continues to dump in here. Should be good to go.
I'd be in this for comics.
Yeah, it'd be nice to be in here for Comics Open here too.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my bad. I didn't get to fix or do anything yesterday after the live stream. I was just kind of running around and yeah. Yeah, 4 hour looks good to continue up and fill that wick there too. Yeah, we got our stop sitting under 30-minute structural also, which is good. What happened to the signal spot? I gotta fix it up here today. Yeah, but I did put it in pretty much exactly how it is. Name of the setup for the journal. This is gonna be a 1 hour celery play. So it's gonna be a 8 a.m. 1 hour celery play. That's the that's how you mark it up in the journal. Do I have a public trade journal? Yes, I do. Just hit a ! journal in the chat and it'll pop up there for you. Yes, I am in this trade. Yep. Yeah, my MT5 is hooked up. It's not hooked up. I'll get it all fixed up later. No, ! journal. Yeah, there you go.
Bring out the volume.
Bring out the whole volume.
Where's Layla? Is she up?
Nah, she might be. She might be dancing around a little bit. I don't know. How is it a celery play? Because a celery play, so you have these closures above the range here, and then you have a celery play there. So, you know, the celery play looks something like this right here. Right? Closure above. Bearish candle like this. Right? And then we take our buys on a break of the highs. So that's what you got right here. So beautiful playbook position here. Everyone go full margin on buys. Let's go. Let's go. Call my wife up. Push. Push. Yeah, let's take a look at GJ, Nas. Oh wow, Nas breaking up here. Damn. Yeah, just a never-ending bull run here on Nas. Sheesh. Wow. Yeah, we got a 30-minute support looking like it's trying to form here too, so that's good. That's good. Why didn't I secure around that resistance? Because I'm planning to get a nice move out of this trade here. We are bullish here on the daily. We're also bullish on the 4 hour as well. 1 hour gave us a celery play. We should have no problem filling that wick up there. And even if we get a 30-minute support right here, that's even better. Yeah, even better. Push here. TP1 is here. So TP1 is right here at 37, and then TP2 is at 41 here. Yeah, 41 is pretty much the target. Yeah, you may find yourself coming up towards these wicks, but yeah, this is like TP1, TP2. volume. We got the
Yeah,
volume
let's
out
see.
here right now. Yeah, 15 closure coming up too in about 30 seconds here.
See.
Oh.
Shall see. 5
What
more
up?
minutes.
What up, Dan? Thank you. Thanks, Dan.
Dan. All right. Nice 15 closure.
Yeah, beautiful 15 close here. Dan the man. I'm nervous, Nick. Oh, you might be over risking. You're scared?
Oof.
Definitely over risking.
Yeah.
Don't over risk, G. If you don't
What it
over
is at
risk,
the end
you
of the
won't
day.
be scared. Shivering. Your teeth are start clacking. It's like that video from that kid.
That's too funny. Yeah, TK, everyone's risk tolerance is different.
Call the ambulance. Breathe air. The celery play bearish candle looks strong compared to previous 1 hour. I think it's pretty good, man, especially if we broke the highs, right? If we broke the highs here at 8 a.m., a lot of times when you're taking positions off the 1 hour, it could take a little bit longer to get going. But, yeah, got to take this position. Got to take it on the break of the highs there.
Four minutes. Comics.
Yeah, as long as you're cool with your loss, like that's the one thing, gang. You've got to accept your loss. Like, what are we doing here? We're actually paying X amount of dollars to find out whether this trade or whether this idea will work. So first and foremost, you have to know what it is you're willing to pay in order to figure out if the idea works. Now, if you're paying more than you should, you know, that's something you got to think about.
No, that's
Right?
very key. Very true.
Yeah.
Very true.
Don't necessarily think about the profits you'll make, but think about what it's going to cost you potentially to see if it works.
100%.
Yeah. Once I enter the markets, I consider my capital gone. There's no guarantee of it, right? There's only a probability. There's only an edge.
Yep.
That's it.
Literally. What you're paying to see if the trade will work. That's all it is.
Yeah. Yep.
Like we were talking about, we're focused on developing skills. You know, like some traders need to develop the skill of accepting losses, right? Or finding their risk tolerance, and so they're not quaking during the trade. It's all a process here, and all about developing skills like those skills we're talking about.
Yeah. Yep. That's it. Yeah, 15-minute on the way up here. If we break the highs here at comics, you should get a straight run up to our partials.
There. Break those highs for the boys. You
For the
told them
boys.
the name?
For the boys and girls, yeah.
Right, let's break the highs for Kingston. For brother Kingston.
Brother man.
Hey, 1 minute. Nice.
When was the last time you withdrew money? Just about 2 or 3 weeks ago from Dominion. Yeah, because I have a personal account too. Yeah, had a withdrawal from Dominion Markets. Nick, question? What's the question?
Yeah.
Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, we re-break the 4-hour high. We should shoot right up there.
Gotta look at the fire and daily here too, chat.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go, Goldie. Was shorting Nas yesterday. What happened? Yo, I heard. I didn't see it, but I did hear Nas just went crazy, right?
Nas was a bleeder yesterday, right?
In the afternoon? No, it moved up.
Oh, wow.
Moved up heavy yesterday in the afternoon. Yeah, I'm not too sure what happened here. Oh, late. Oh, can you manage risk? Yeah, you can manage risk. The 30-minute candle is going to close here in just a few moments. So we got 820 coming in here right now. So that's what we're kind of looking at here. And if we re-break those highs, I think we're going to see a straight run up here at this point. Yeah, we just got to re-break that high now.
Come on, Goldie.
Yeah, if you guys want, you can move your stops to current 30, right? You know, below these lows here. But I'm just going to keep mine right there. What do we get? 10 pips? 10 pips or so?
Yeah, I think that's all I got.
Yeah, about 10. Why don't you show us Dominion markets? I put a poll up. There was a while ago where I asked, hey, you want to see my Dominion account? Do you want to see my funded challenge? So everyone voted funded challenge, so that's why. Oh, so my question, something about Nas. Yeah, I'm not too sure why Nas ripped up like that yesterday. Oh, what do you know? Wait, when do you know when to take your losses? Just off of like this right here would be a really good loss for me. Like if we took a loss on this trade, it would be a great loss because I waited for a 1 hour celery play. I entered where I should have on the break of the highs. I was willing to hold until my logical partial TP. I got valid stops. If it breaks that low, you know, the probability just wasn't in our favor this time. So that's why I'm pretty cool with, like, this is a good loss. If I take a loss here, it's a pretty good one. Yeah. What up, level up? What's good?
Level up. Like that name.
What's good? Level up. All about the level up.
That levels to the game.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna see how this 30-minute candle closes here, but got a pretty decent rejection there. If we kind of come back up and close like pretty strong bullish, then I'll probably keep it. If we close below, or then I'll probably get rid of it. Yeah. Very naughty. Yeah, very, very naughty gold.
Niche gold. Did me dirty.
Comics push us down here today.
Did me dirty.
Yeah, we'll see how the 30 closes here. We got 4 minutes.
What's up, Scott?
Scotty boy's in the house. What up, Scott? How we feeling today, brother? Doing good, doing good.
Oh, wow. We were right back up. Sheesh, bro.
You and your losses, almost every time you trade, you take a loss? Really? That's not what the data says, G. Why don't you go look at real numbers instead of talking off emotion? Let's go look at them. Let's go look at all my... No, just kidding. Yeah, we do a little losing. Right? We do a little losing, but we do a lot of winning, which is good. So I'm okay with doing a little bit of losing as long as I'm doing a lot of winning, G. You just focus on you and you'll be all right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Find me a trader that doesn't lose, fact. So what, you never lost, bro? You never took a loss? Come on, G. Come over here to make money on me. Get out of here. You trying to make money off me, bro.
Wow. Of course, right back up. It's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, just gonna wait on the 30 closure, not get emotional. Like some of you guys, man. You guys are like little babies. You guys are like more emotional than my 2-year-old. Yeah, as I told you guys, it's a A+ setup. I'm already cool with my loss. That's the thing, G. I'm cool with my loss. Right? So if you're cool, if you took a trade out and you plan the trade, you have to plan what you'll lose as well. You know, this trade could still lose. Doesn't matter to me. That's the thing that you don't understand. It doesn't matter to me. The thing that matters is I waited patiently for a 1-hour celery. It's one of my best positions that I like to take. I executed when the time called for it, and now I have my parameters in order, and I'll sit here and wait. And I won't be emotional like a 2-year-old. Time to do some push-ups. Time to do some push-ups. All right, I am going to close some partials right there. I'm also gonna go break even on this trade. So I'm gonna move stops to break even. And I'm just gonna let the rest of it run to see if we can come up there and fill that wick. Yeah. Should be good. We need one more break of the high. One more break of the high and then you should see a push. Let's see here. Yeah, did we hit B? Yeah, break even. All right, yeah, good trade, good trade. Got another push out of that, so not a bad move there. 1 hour celery. So let's yeah, let's mark it up and on to the next trade. All right. Oh yeah, yesterday's trade too. We got a markup. What time was that? 10? I can't remember. You guys remember what time yesterday? Honestly, I forgot to mark everything up, man. Literally, once I dipped out of here yesterday, I was gone, man. Yeah, my wife was like, "Yo, we having that baby, son." What time was that trade yesterday? Does anybody remember? 10, I think, right? Yeah, I think it was 10. 10, yeah, 10. 123. My son was born on 123 yesterday. 123. That was on gold. Yeah, gold sell. That was breakout. Oh, hold on. $8 a.m. 1 hour celery. I don't think we've had that this year yet. Whoops. 124. 24. Sheesh. Bye. I think we got, what do we get there? $12. Little 12 pack. All right, cool. W. Yeah, on to the next. On to the next. Cool. Yeah, let's see. I think we should fill that wick still. We're having trouble in that area, so yeah. Let's see here. You guys still in? Oh, nice. Yeah, I got hit at B there. So it closed 80% around 12 pips, I believe. And then break even. But I thought that dude said you never win. Yeah, the guys are gone now. Now they're not like, oh wow, it looks stupid now. Yeah, man. Yeah. Had the baby yesterday, right? Literally was running. Once I shut down the stream, I was running around and then finally got to the hospital and got there. And like within like 10, 15 minutes, my wife had the baby. Yeah, quick. It was quick. Yeah, thanks for all your prayers. I know I said it like 3 times, but we got more and more people pouring in here. So thank you guys for all the prayers yesterday. Everything went flawless. Praise God. Oh, Kingston was born on my late father's birthday. Nice. Father was a great man. I'm sure Kingston will be too. Thank you, man. Yeah. Clayway's right behind me. Oh, snap. Due any minute now. Yo, we're committed traders. You guys ever seen that meme video? We're traders. We're traders. We're still on the charts 10 minutes before our wife's about to give birth. We're traders. We're back on the charts 10 minutes after my wife gave birth. Oh, man. Made 2K. Nice job, man. Maybe I forgot to put an L. Nah, it's there. It's 2 monthly losses. Yeah, that's what it says. That's what it says, G. I got a 2-step challenge. Yep, with top 1. Yep. Yeah, I'm doing a 2-step challenge. Yeah, some of you guys I think are doing the 1-step, which is actually pretty good. I think you only need I think it was 6%. Or 10%, right? 10% as opposed to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13%. So yeah, the 1-step's not bad. Yeah, I might try a 1-step with them too. Yeah, I hit break even, gang. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. That's true. That's true. Oh man, I don't have. Why can't I update? There we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, I forgot we have this new today's trades. It's gold long 10 pips. How's that? Is that too big? Gold 10 pips. Or 12 it was, right? No, it was 12. No, it was 13. Y'all be arguing in the chat. It was 12. No, he closed at 13. No, he closed at 12. Yo, you guys are funny, man. Y'all funny. Yeah, by the way, those of you who are asking about the 5 wins and 2 losses, how's it still like negative RR? That's because this account is from last year, gang. Right? So that's why when you say that, I can tell you're not a real one. You're just jumping in here. You don't even know what's going on. It was 12 pips, man. Yeah. Oh, nice, Patrick. W. Yeah, that's why we go break even. Yep. Yeah, that's why anytime I secure partials, I want to go break even. You know, I want to go break even. So yeah, we almost filled that wick there. We should have had a pretty straight shot up into that wick. So yeah, as it was hesitating, and once it re-break the highs, give it another little push, and then that's where we closed our partials. Yeah, but now look, you never know, because there's still 20 minutes left on the 1 hour. So the 1 hour could easily close like the 30. Like 30 was flipping bearish. Some of y'all were counting us out of this trade, right? And I was just like, just chill out, man. Just wait for the 30-minute candle to close, right? Just relax and look how the 30 closed way up there. So you just gotta let your trade play out, you know, look for those parameters, and if you see things starting to struggle and then it's re-breaking highs, then, you know, look to close some partials and go break even. Yeah. Yeah, the 1 hour can still close very strong though, right? If this 1 hour closes looking something like this, all right, then you still got a nice, probably another candle will finish the job here. All right, we are bullish on the day as well, so don't count it out just yet. This 1 hour can create a very strong support above the range here and continue driving. I call it for the rest of the W birthday trade, AB Mike. Viral trades, man. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, brother. You're too caught up. Too caught up, G. Thinking way too much, pal. I want to split my profits. Hey, yo, Bill. Brill. How you feeling now? Man, teeth were clanking. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, Viral Kings, bro. You're the one that logged into YouTube today. Looked, searched up time to eat, clicked the stream, bro. You don't have to do that, right? You don't need to do that. Just think about how dumb that would be on your end if you don't like the stream. Why you keep coming? Like, I don't like a stream. I don't like a streamer. Guess what? I just don't sign on to it. I just don't click the YouTube channel anymore. I don't go in there. I don't go, blah, 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 you blown, blah, blah, you blown 200, 400. I haven't blown any 400K accounts. Not sure what you're trying to get at, G. Trump. Oh, man. I deserve half. All right, cool. Yeah, so now we wait for the next best setup here. I went to the grocery store, started complaining about the food. I didn't go to that grocery store. I just kept going back to that grocery store. Oh, man. Viral King showed up because he heard that we were in a winning position, and he's like, I gotta get a trade in. I gotta get a win in. I gotta get a win. Stream hopping. Yeah, Ewan's an OG. Yeah. All right. Anyway, let's take a look at some of these other pairs here. GJ's just still continuing down, so not much that we can do on pound yen. If we do get a 4-hour close and it closes strong below like these zones here, then I think we should be good, right? We'll be breaking those lows there, and if you can get a closure below, that'll be that'll kind of tell us, okay, you know, we may look to move down here after closing below and breaking through those lows. But GJ's not the greatest here today, I'll be honest. And then same thing with Nas, right? I mean, we're just pushing up, so not much we could really do. We have no targets here, so you know, not much we could do on the way up. Yeah. Yeah, no clean traffic to the left. How do you know clean traffic to the left? Yeah, there is none. There is none, exactly. Yeah, so it's very tough to take buys here on Nas100 because you don't have any range. You know, that's why we really need to push down, see some sort of retracement, because then we have all clean range to move back up. But as of right here, you know, we're up in these all-time highs, so it gets a bit tough. Right. Billy's lost. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, Viral King. We'll hook you up with a potential. Maybe we'll get you a session with Rafi or something just to, you know, get you right. What are your thoughts on AUD JPY? Man, if I gave you my thoughts on AUD JPY, they might not be the best because I've never traded AUD JPY. So it would be tough for me to actually give you some valid advice because, you know, I don't know anything about the pair. I can give you my thoughts on the price action of the pair, but take it with a grain of salt. Yeah, let's take a look. So AUD JPY, my thoughts here are daily. So we did close bullish yesterday, but we broke these lows now, right? There's very little to no top wick on this candle. Probably means there's a lot of selling pressure. So therefore you should come down towards the support here, especially after breaking the previous daily lows. Let's go see how the 4-hour looks. So the 4-hour has a very strong support right here. And then if you can kind of pull back and close below, I think you got a nice little range coming down here towards like these support levels. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is a bit choppy. 30-minute, and it's not the greatest, I would say. Not the greatest ranges here. You do have a potential wick fill though. So depending on how this candle closes, if this is worth it, it's only like 7 pips. So yeah, that's not the greatest price action here. I would recommend waiting for potential pullback here on the 1 hour. Yeah, get a pullback on the 1 hour, get a resistance, and then take sells, you know, after that pullback. But I think right now we've just been driving down a bit. Plus you got the 4-hour closing up here in shortly here in 13 minutes. So yeah, I would expect a pullback here on the 4-hour close and then a pullback on the 4-hour open to create a new top wick. So potentially wait on that, right? Wait for a new 15-minute fake out up here like 97,170, and then maybe look to take your sells coming back down. Yeah, other than that, I would wait for a break and retest to take buys. Yeah. And then gold is, you know, working here, putting in a lot of work here for NY Open, up and down. Good morning, Nick. How are you? I'm doing fantastic. How are you? Alexandru's in the building. Yeah, here comes it. Quakers come out. Alexandru and Green are on it. Remember, when you are dead, you do not know you are dead. It is only painful for others. The same applies when you are stupid. Yo, that honestly, that's pretty true. This guy never tells a lie. Oh yeah, by the way, gang, we got 2 50K challenge accounts that we're giving away to the community tomorrow. All you have to do is be sub to the channel. So if you subscribe to the channel, you're gonna get an opportunity to potentially win a $50,000 challenge account here tomorrow. Yeah, if you guys could like the stream too, by the way, that would be great. Give the stream a like here today. If you feeling lucky, like you're gonna win the 50K challenge account tomorrow, give the stream a like. That may make a difference. I'm not gonna say it will. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But I recommend you like the stream as well here today. Yeah. Yeah, don't miss tomorrow's stream. Yeah. Yeah, sub to the channel and you got a chance. You got your shot to catch a W on a 50K challenge account. Yeah, we'll have the credentials over to you by the end of the day. You're locked and loaded for Monday. Oh yeah, what is today? Today's Wednesday? My bad. Is today Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday. Sorry, yeah, Friday. Friday. How do you have 4 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even, 390? That's because this is the account from last year. So that 4 wins or whatever it is, 5 wins, 2 losses is just from this month, last like 2 weeks. What happened to John? I don't know. John, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Great trade, Mike. Thanks, bro. No, just kidding. AB Mike. East Coast play. Holding this juicy gold short. All right, all right, sweet. Yeah, you did get a starting to look like a rejection now. So, but we don't know that until this 1 hour candle closes in 9 minutes, right? Because again, this 1 hour candle right now it looks like a rejection, but this 1 hour candle can close just like this, strong, and then it won't look like a rejection anymore. It'll look like a wick fill, right? So we gotta wait for this 1 hour candle to close, and then if it does close bearish, then you know it's most likely a nice rejection wick, and then price should begin to drive down here. Yeah. So gotta wait 9 minutes, gang. Just waiting 9 minutes. Yep. Can you add percentage on the column? Yeah, you know what? I think we will do that. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Chat's on fire today. Chat got motion. Got motion here, chat. Oh, what's this? I forgot to update the best blessings for granddaughters last Thursday. They got to see their big brother. It was, oh, nice. It was all they asked for their birthday. That's amazing. Yeah. Yeah, God bless your family, GG. What's your strategy?
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
No idea. All right, give me 1 second. I will be right back. Oh, John's back. John, there it goes. Gold's tricky these days. Yeah, it's the beginning of the year. Very beginning of the year. Entries for bootcamp close on the day. Yeah, they'll probably close the day before the bootcamp. Yep. So you guys got plenty of time. If you guys are coming to the bootcamp, it's going to be exciting. We are ready to drop some awesome gems for you guys, man. Just beginning to prepare for the bootcamp now. So, yeah, we're going to make it a great one. Nas has zero info. Yeah, the strategy on Nas is...
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
There's zero strategy on this thing right now. So, just got to wait. John's back. Guitar is on. It's between 8:45 and 9. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back. And yeah, we may have another position here come 9:30. Maybe we'll wait for news 9:45. But let's get some direction out of this area here. Yeah, I'll be right back.
What'd I miss? DK was goody. Yeah, Rolex. Typically, if the trade's based off the 1 hour, I'll just manage it off the 1 hour. Yeah. And that all can depend, you know, with market conditions, but typically that's what I would do. Did I go to Chick-fil-A for breakfast? No, I don't eat Chick-fil-A. I had some people here and I was doing some push-ups. Sounds good, TK. Push-ups for breakfast, yes sir. Typical blind guardian. Quaker's going quick. I missed a Quaker, thank God. Thank God I missed a Quaker. It's good, David. What's up, bro? They got on as yet, looking like it. We are bullish though, so they're just pulling back.
Let's get it, baby. 100 push-ups. Chat, where you at on them push-ups? Oh, look at this 1 hour candle. You see? Don't be deceived. You gotta wait for the candle to close. Gotta wait for the closure. Let's see here. What did I miss? What did I miss, John?
Nothing, bro.
TK's grabbing coffee. Nice. Update the lifetime record? Oh, yeah. I forgot we got that now, too. Update the lifetime. 117th win together, gang. Beautiful. Beautiful. Lifetime record. I mean, come on. We're 117 and 38. Stop playing. Stop playing. Yeah, updated it. Updated it. Too many things to update now. Yeah, for real. Yeah, all taken on the live stream. Every single one of these trades taken on the live stream. 117 wins. What is it? 38? 38? Yeah, right? 38 losses. 13 break evens. I got 113 wins. No, 112 wins without you. Because you took today's trade. Yo, bro, this guy don't know how to trade. It's like, dude, you don't know how to read. Look at the record, G. Numbers don't lie. Yeah, the Quakers do enough math, but you know what they don't add up is they don't add up all the 10 lot positions here from January all the way to, I think, July. Then they would feel really stupid after doing that math. Yeah, really dumb. Let's go. Yo, you're going to be around for the next 113 wins, though. Right? Yeah, don't worry. There's plenty more winning coming. Nick has a W in his name. Wick. Yeah, that's true. AB Mike. Very true. All right. Wow. Look at that. So the 1 hour candle did close bullish here. Interesting. Very, very interesting. I don't think we would have hit stops either. So yeah, we got a new 4 hour candle. 4 hour close bullish, and we may just finish the job up here towards like 37. But I want to see a pullback. I really do. I want to see. We're struggling in this area on the 1 hour, so I want to see if maybe we can kind of make a steep bottom wick and then get some structure here on the 15, right? Get a little bit of a like pullback, another support, have this whole wick get filled, and then look to take buys off of a support down here at like 31. Yeah, I don't like to jump in right here at 9 a.m. It's the open of the new 4 hour candle. So if this thing wants to drive up, it is what it is. Yeah. Thoughts on Nas? Let's take a look at Nas. We did get a 4 hour closure. We did close very weak bullish doji, so I would expect us to move down. We can't do nothing if we do move up. I would expect us to move down. If we break 4 hour lows, you should see a push. So I think if we can get past this support level, then we're good to go and take our sells. So we do have a new support here. Let's see how we react in this zone here, right where we are. I want to see how this candle closes on the 15, and then that should give us some direction here, whether or not we want to move down or actually come back up and retest the highs. Yeah. Blank journal. Yeah, you just gotta, oh yeah, like Alexandru said, you can grab it or you can just go to my journal here, hit exclamation point journal, and then go to file, hit make a copy here, and then you should be able to delete everything and then put your own stuff in. Scott, how we feeling, brother? Watt's in the building. Waiter next door. What's goody? Trader next door. Yo, chat, remember we used to hit everyone's name with a W? Like, whoa, Juan, Reen. What's your current thoughts on what's going on in the world? Between... I really don't have any thoughts because most of politics, and I don't want to, sound like weird, whatever, but most of politics is just a show of elite corruption, and I really don't let it hold any real estate in my mind at this point. It's all a distraction. Yeah, now the hard part in that is that the elite corruption has a lot to do with the lives being impacted of innocent people. It's very unfortunate. It really is, but I don't really have too many thoughts on it. Yeah, I just try and focus on what I can control. GJ just broke the lows. Yeah, let's take a look at pound yen. So yeah, GJ is moving down here pretty steadily. I do think we need a pullback. There's also no top wicks on these candles here. So I think we planned GJ out earlier. So we need some sort of retracement, right? We need either retracement back up towards 187,500 or like 188 here. Yeah, somewhere up in here. Yeah, because if we can kind of retrace a bit, we can have some more power to move back down. So that retracement could happen here, right? And you can get a resistance to form, and then sells could be valid, especially if we break the high there. And then we could take sells coming down, or we can wait for retracements in these areas up here, right? Somewhere up here where all these, you guys see all these wicks right in this zone here. And then look for our retracement up there, right? So you get a bearish candle to close, right? And then this can be where we take sells from. So yeah, we gotta wait for a retracement. Yeah. Wonter in the building. We still do that wick? All right. I haven't seen that in a while. WB Mike. Whitehall Trades. Oh, what up, Wold Busters? What's good? What's good? Warkus.
W.
Yo, yeah. Yeah, we live in this big system, man, this big matrix. And yeah, the powers that be throw a lot around, so it's you know, it's one of those things. How do you draw candles? I draw them on Zoom. Yeah, it's a feature in Zoom. Yeah, I think everything out there is designed to deceive and our precious minds, right? Our minds are so precious, and they want to do anything they can to deceive us and distract us from the full power that our Creator has given us. So that's why we talk a lot about these hacks, right? These hacks, these personal development, success habits, because this is how we glitch the matrix. This is how we glitch the system, right? Is we find these things that, you know, the masses aren't doing them, but we know that they yield a good result, right? So you want to focus on those things in life, and we like to call it, you can call it glitch in the matrix, you can call it the separation effect. The Bible says you shall be transformed by the renewal of your mind, right? This is all talking about the same line, like the same type of thing here, which is, you know, be transformed by the renewing of your mind. So if you have to be transformed, right, then that means the system that you're already in is probably designed to for you to fail, right? Designed for you to fail. So you have to be transformed by renewing your thoughts. And a lot of times that takes a lot. You know, some of you guys are 25, 35, 45 years old. We're talking about reprogramming, rewiring the brain on what to believe, what's true, what's not true. So it's a whole process, and they've made it very difficult for one to get out of the rat race or the matrix at this point. But that's why we show up to the live streams every day, so we can help more Neos break out. Are you ready, Neo? Do you guys want the red pill or the blue pill? Those that tune into the stream every day have picked the red pill, and that's why we can continue. That's why we continue to go deeper.
Oh, only one way.
Yeah, if we had an in-depth conversation on the Matrix, Dino, it would be some mind-blowing stuff. Yeah, we can't go too hard on the YouTube, but one-on-one, we in there.
Mm-hmm.
Haven't watched the news in years. Yeah, same. If it's not a Fed speech, yeah, exactly. Man, I don't know what's going on.
No thanks.
My dad was over here the other day talking about something going on in the politics. Dude, I don't even know. I have no idea what's going on.
I don't want to even care.
All I'm focused is winning at the highest levels and bringing the people that want to go with me. That's it. That's it. Right? The harvest is plentiful. The workers are few. We're calling more workers. Right? Because I'm telling you, the harvest is plentiful. Is the journal free? Yes, it is. Yep. All right, cool. 15-minute candle is closing up shop here in just a few. 30-minute is still bearish, so we're just gonna hang tight here. What would be great is, yeah, ideally, I think this is what I want to see. So 30-minute candle close back bullish. Nice exhaustion wick here. And 9:30 rip us up to finish that daily move. If not, then we may drive back into the range, and then we will have to continue to wait. All right, if the 30 closes right here, most likely no position for me, because now we come back into this nasty range here, and I would much rather see a break out of it. Something like this maybe. Oh, let me use the other. Something like this. Right, if you can create like a bullish candle and then another bear, then I will look to take my sells coming down, because now we're taking our sells off of resistance and a closure back below this range. Therefore, you have clean traffic to the left, and you should see a push. But I do believe we have news coming in. Yeah, we do have news coming in too, so that may get in the way here as well. But those are just a couple ideas to throw at you guys. Kind of like what's going on in my brain. Where could I get the journal? Just hit exclamation point. Oh yeah, there it is, journal. Yeah, just click that link and it'll be yours. Which scenarios would you use risk management A and B? Yeah, so every trade is a bit unique in its own way, right? Every trade is going to be a bit different, a bit unique on how you're going to approach it. But a lot of times when we're able to use, let's say, previous candle stops, and they're valid, they're good, they're not too steep, that will be typically when we'll be closing, like managing risk based off of, let's say, candles coming back to break even, right? So if candles drive let's say we have a vantage point, right? So let's say we have an entry point, or let's say we have a stop loss. We have an entry, right? And we have an advantage point right down here, right? And then you have a full target. So bear with me here, right? Stops, entry, advantage point, which is closed partials, full target. So let's say price comes down, and let's say from here to here is 25 pips, right? So if price comes down, now look, if we come 5 or 6 pips in profit and then go back to break even, you don't want to close, right? You don't want to close half here, because you're really not out of any sort of, right? You want to see, like, if you start going like 12, 13 pips in profit, and then price starts coming back, this is where you want to close half. So you want to close 50% of your position at your entry. And like, let's say this is the previous candle high, and this is the current candle high, right? Then what you can do, let's say you're risking 2% up here. Don't lose me. You're risking 2%. Price goes 12 pips in profit, starts coming back to break even, close 50. So now you're not risking 2, you're risking 1. Right, 1%, and then what you can do is you can slide this stop loss down. So now you begin to move your stop above the current candle high. So now this 1% basically turns into around 0.5%, and then that's how you can manage your position. But you can't do this when price only goes 4 pips in profit, you know, back to break even, because it can go back and forth, right? So you want to really get out of a certain territory. And, you know, if you're 12 pips or even come further down, just miss your partials and then come back, that's when I would highly recommend doing this whole method of managing risk. Yeah, we'll dive much deeper into this in the boot camp, and we'll talk more about it as we apply it in our trades. But we've applied it in like 2 or 3 trades so far, so I'm sure you'll see a little bit more of that as well.
Yeah, and look for, whenever you're aiming for the vantage point, you know, look to get close to or the same amount of pips that you're risking, right? So it can be close to like an even 1-to-1.
Yeah. What was the trade you took today? The trade we took today was at 8 a.m. So we took a celery play right here. So entry right here, and then we were looking to target that zone, but ended up closing at like 12 pips. Oh man, GJ just continuously running down here. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. Nas looks like you might get a support, but no top wick. Gold 15-minute close bearish here, so just gonna hang tight and wait. Right, if this 4-hour wants to get ripping, you're gonna see a 30-minute closing bullish here. So let's wait for that, and if it comes about, we'll take it. When first targets hit, you can, so yeah, when first targets hit, you can close 80, you can close 50. That's going to be up to you. You know, that's going to be on you, depending on what you want to secure at that point. But, you know, always keep in mind, you should always have these parameters in your trade, right? You should always have these parameters here, which is number 1, a stop loss. Number 2, an entry. Hold on. Number 3, a partial target. And number 4, a full target, right? You should always have these parameters: stops, entries, first target, and then full target. Yeah. And typically at this target here, that's where you want to move stops to break even. Because at that point, there's no point in going back into drawdown. After you close 80% or 50%, there's no point going back into this drawdown. Where will the bootcamp be? The bootcamp's going to be online. So it's our second bootcamp that we're running, and it'll be all online. If you guys are coming, we look forward to seeing you there. We'll also have the recording as well. So everyone will get the recording and all that good stuff. Oh, let's see what my wife says. Let's go 30. Let's go 30.
Anyone attend? Yes. Yes, anyone can attend.
Anyone can attend. Yeah, you're all more than welcome. Yeah, just hit a exclamation point. I think 3T or something, right? Yeah. There he is. What up, Green?
Greenery.
I think if you highlight everything, you can delete it all. I think someone has to maybe correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you can just doop and then just press delete. But I don't know, maybe TK could help, or one of these other smarter guys. Hold on one sec. Got these kids,
You're
man.
late.
Watching these kids.
Good.
Watching these kids, man. Still sleeping. Oh, my wife said there's a special dinner at 4 p.m. today for us. Ooh, let's go.
Huh.
Tell them I want the steak. Word. Yeah, you know how, all the parents out there, they give you that nice little romantic dinner with your wife, right, the day before you leave. I cannot access the mentorship link. Yeah, that's because January is all shut down. If you message me on Discord, then I can send you the link. Or just hit a exclamation point coach, and you can find out the availability there. Oh, Mode Nightclubs. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Got the little break. Yeah. Take a break. Oh, congratulations, Dean. Job well done, my friend. Job well done.
Awesome, Dean.
Oh, what up, Jai Trader? Good to see you. Jai Trader says highlight everything and backspace and it will delete previous entries. Okay, cool. There you go. Nah, hell no. My wife says she got me salmon. Nah, nah. That ain't going down.
She's capping.
She's definitely. If she's watching the live stream right now, which she probably is.
Capping, chat.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap, babe.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap. You know you got that ribeye. Yo.
She already said salmon.
Shout out to TT. Thanks for the knowledge. Yes, my pleasure, Dean. Good to see you. Good to see you, Dean. You've been showing up consistently. That says a lot. It's no surprise why you're winning, brother. Getting that cheddar, baby. Getting that cheddar.
Amen, Scott.
What do I think about gold? I think in 8 minutes, if we get a support, then we should continue to run up here on the 4-hour candle and run up towards 38 and potentially even 41 here today. Daily looking like it wants to break the highs here. 4-hour looks good. We're waiting on this 30-minute to close. If we can close bullish, that means we have a new support. And you should fill the wick on the 1 hour and then also break the highs on the daily. So that's what we're waiting for. 9:30. If 9:30 gives us a bullish candle, then we'll most likely drive up. What do you think about GJ sells? I think GJ sells are just selling on away. Just going downtown. Downtown. Yeah. 4-hour closed very strong bearish. Looks like we did close below support as well. So yeah, should be ripping down here. Yeah, it's tough to take sells though without really seeing a pullback there. Sometimes what I've noticed, gang, is if you don't see a pullback, right? So sometimes you may wonder, yo, this thing just kept driving. Like, why? You know, you guys ever? That's what I do. I always do this stuff. Why? You know, I'm always asking why. So maybe, just maybe, and I've noticed this quite a few times, where you don't get a resistance, right? But price keeps driving down. Can any of you guys maybe pinpoint, or do you guys have any ideas what I'm thinking of? Why price will continue to potentially drive down here without creating a resistance? Can you see something that like has been done that in a way creates a resistance? Let me see if anyone notices the same thing I notice. Amen, Scott. Amen, amen. Outside of the news. And look, this may jump all the way up and all that stuff, but if we continue down, right? Why do you think? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. One thing I've been seeing on that a lot is this right here. So you get no resistance, but you get this grab right there where it breaks the highs and then closes strong bearish, and then you just continue to see the drive down without any sort of resistance. So I've noticed that quite a bit. So we'll keep an eye on that, you know, moving forward throughout the year. But yeah, that's what I've noticed. Every time we kind of just run down without creating a resistance at all, there's typically either a 15 or a 30-minute major pack runner that goes on which probably grabs a lot of liquidity and then, you know, enables price to continue running without a bullish closure. Yeah. Yeah, good eye. Yeah, it seems to happen a lot. So I've been noticing that a lot lately. Yeah, on the 5 minute, that's probably a resistance, right? If we go check the 5 minute, yeah. So it's a resistance. It's a fake out. You see the fake out here? On the 5. Right here, boom. And that's your liquidity grab right there. Yep. Grabbing a pack. But yeah, in order for me to take sells on GJ, I need to see what we just discussed a few minutes ago. Yep, majority on the 15. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I see it a lot on the 15 because that's typically we're waiting. We're like, all right, are we gonna get a bullish closure here on the 15 or the 30? And we never, you know, at times when we never get it, that's typically what I see happen. So look, we could watch it for the whole quarter 1, and then we'll see if it's actually consistent with what we are thinking. And if it is, you never know. Maybe we can do something with it. That's the coolest part about trading, is that you're always going to learn. You're always going to pinpoint different things. You can show up to the charts years, 3, 4, 5 years in a row and still find new things. Still, you know, like kind of identify new ways or it's not that they're new. It's just now you're seeing them differently. Like you could see them now. So yeah, the learning never stops, my friends. No ribeye, sockeye. TK, you funny, bro.
Sockeye.
Saki. Boy stops got activated for Nick yesterday. Yeah, we had a little baby boy yesterday. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. Give the stream a like. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for your chance to win a $50,000 challenge account giveaway here. Thanks to Top 1 and the whole crew over there. Doing their thing, man. Doing their thing. One of the things I really liked about them guys too is they are used to be big into the travel industry. So these dudes have like connections with resorts all over the place, and they're like, yo, we want to be able to fly out like some of our top earners for the month to hang out for like 3-4 days in like Tulum, Mexico, or anywhere. You know, they have connections all over the place. So that's one cool thing about it, is I think a lot of us, if we do our thing, we can meet up at some of these events and have a good time, create new data sets, and do a little side questing.
Hell yeah.
A little side quest. Who wants to travel together? I want to travel with you guys. New experiences. Yeah.
I want to travel together.
Yes, sir. Yeah. I have no idea about it. Give me humble advice. About what? Yeah, bro, let's run it, man. Let's run. Let's just dominate.
You got big plans, guys.
Just win. Let's just win. Sweet TT retreats, baby. Yes, sir.
Yep.
Singapore, baby. Yeah, I wish I could be in Singapore right now with some top G friends of mine, but not this year.
I wish, bro.
Just win. I travel in cyberspace. Was this like Ready Player One? It's Ready Player One, man. All right, 57 seconds. Doesn't look like we're going to get a 30-minute closure that we're looking for here. So 1 hour and 4 hour both look pretty good, but 30-minute is keeping me out. Keeping me out. Yeah, because we've already experienced a bit of a problem right here. So we want all these time frames to line up, right? I think yeah, I think that's what I want to see. Just want to be in a position to travel. You will be. You will be. You just keep chipping away, man, every day in, day out. Just keep getting better. Oh yeah, we got 9:45 news coming out here, so we're gonna sit tight. Yeah, Belmar. Yeah, Capital Club, man. Really wanted to go out there, but had a baby yesterday and couldn't make it.
Capital Club.
Couldn't do the travel. Got some things to do here with my own life and yeah, moving and all that stuff. So wasn't the best time. Chat ready to gamble? Let's go. Trading news? Who's trading news today here at 9:45? That's most likely why we are consolidating. So you should get a bigger move here on gold a little bit later. Could you explain how the 3 time frames should look alike? Yeah, so like, let's say you're looking for a bullish move here, right? So let's say you get a 4 hour. So what you want to see is you want to see a 4 hour breakout. So here's the ideal. When you see all this lining up, pull the trigger, right? So this is your 4 hour time frame. So you want to see a 4 hour closure and then expect this to be a move like that, right? So if that's what you're expecting on the 4 hour, what will that typically look like on the 1 hour? Well, the 1 hour and the 4 hour will typically look just like this. It'll be a very simple breakout, right? 1 hour / 4 hour. Now you have the 30-minute time frame. So a lot of times what's going to happen on the 30 is you're going to get a candle that closes above, right? But then you're also going to need to see a candle create this bottom wick. So what does that typically look like? That will typically look something like this. It'll give us our celery play, where price comes down, creates that 4 hour bottom wick, and then this move that you see will typically happen on this 30-minute candle right here, right? That's kind of the position we took earlier, but just off the 1 hour. And then what will that look like on the 15? Well, on the 15, that'll look something like this, right? You have a few different candles, right? So what you'll see is you'll see a pullback. So you need this candle to pull back, right? So what you'll happen to see is candle like close bearish, right? And then now we need, what do we need now? We need this bottom wick here, right? For the new open. So that's when you'll see another push down, right? And then you'll see a support formed. And that support will let you know that this bottom wick has now been established for the most part, right? This is your bottom wick here. This right here is this pullback on this candle, and then this bottom wick is this next bearish candle. And now what do you want to see? You want to see a support, right? And once that support forms, now everything begins to line up, right? And that's where you should see the move up, right? So this is like your ideal time frame to time frame, how you want them to look. 1 hour, 4 hour, 30-minute, and then this is your 15-minute. 15-minute. Yep. Make sense? It's dinner time in India. Time to eat. Let's go. He used to not cover it. Cover what? It's a buy. It's a buy. It's a boy. It's a boy. It's a boy. It's a what?
Imagine it's a buy.
Oh, you're talking about the MT5, Josh? Not very transparent. Dude, it doesn't get any more transparent than this, bro. I'm up here live every day. I mean, come on, brother. Why did I take the MT5 off? Because my millionaire trader buddies told me I was absolutely crazy to let you guys see my P&L. But I was like, nah, I still want to keep the floating profit. So, gang, you're lucky, or not gang, but you're lucky I even do that. You know, most traders aren't going to show you. You could see everything when I pop my MT5 open here. Yeah, you guys don't need to be micromanaging my account.
I can't
I'm
believe people are
already
commenting.
doing enough for you guys. Showing up here every day, pouring my heart out, talking about trading, talking about life. I mean, come on. What more do you want from me?
Why comment on that, brother?
Yeah.
Mom.
It don't get more transparent than this, gang. I show you guys my failures, my success, tell you guys about my kids. I mean, what more do you want?
I want your soul.
You ain't gonna get it. Yeah, trust my trading buddies. They call me crazy for even doing this. Never mind showing my P&L. They're like, dude, I would never be able to. They're like, dude, I would never be able to trade if there was 1,000 people looking at my P&L. Why are you doing that?
What? You want the bank account info too, right, Scott?
You want the social too? Numbers on the debit, credit, expiration, and the last 3 on the back of the card. Thank you very much. Yeah, no, that's all. That's all, Josh. It's not worth it for me. It's really not to have you guys micromanage my accounts, and it's just, why would I do that to myself? Right? Imagine you had someone look. Imagine you had 1,000 plus looking at every digit on your account every single day. Right? Trading is tough enough alone. Never mind people micromanaging everything you do. So you gotta understand. You know, you gotta understand. Oh, let's take a look here. We got 930. You got a bleeder on Nas. This is good. Gold. Gold. We closed bearish here, so nothing there for me on gold. Did want to see if we can get a bullish closure, but if we do come down and break this 4-hour low, get a closure at like 9:45, then there may be something for us. If not, oh yeah, actually we got news coming in, so yeah, I'm not gonna touch this until news comes out. And baking details. Yeah, you guys should be happy that there's a trader out there that like you guys see having a tough time like with a challenge account or something. That should give you hope, right? You shouldn't want to throw shade and be like, damn, this guy sucks. Like, nah, that should show you that, you know, the rest of the guys that you know, they're doing the same thing as me. They just don't show you most of the time. You know, they just don't show you. But you'll quickly pay for their whatever they're doing, right? But you won't come here for free and gem hunt. You know, you gotta hunt for gems. Take what you want. It's like the shopping cart method, man. You look at the shelf. You take what you want. You leave what you don't want, and you just use it to make yourself better. PTT over my mama, you heard? Yo. Nas downtown, huh? Not yet. Nothing here. Nothing too exciting happening just yet. Yeah, dude, 8% every month. It's not as easy as most people think. Right? I tell you guys all the time, some of my buddies, they do extremely well. They make like 4%, 6% a month, right? We've had plenty of months where we've done that. We just fell shy of the 8.
For sure.
Had a friend pay 2 professionals to pass the funded account. They both failed. Yeah, yeah, Patrick.
That's trash.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Lopez. Yeah. George.
Nah, for real, Sib, you can live off 1% for sure, especially with these funded accounts.
Yeah, you can.
What, like
Yeah.
300K, 1%, 3 grand right there.
Yeah, no, my 100K
Some
live
people's right.
account changed my life. You know, that account changed my life. That set me up. That gave me the confidence I needed, and you know, it was just streamlined every month. You know, 5 to 10%. That was it. Yeah, you can do really well, especially some of you guys that live in some other countries where the money goes a little bit longer. I mean, you got a 100K account. You're like you living next door to Rafi and Bali on a 100K account. Big chillin'.
Yeah, right. Even if it's not replacing your income, still the fact that you can make that from your computer says a lot, right? And the fact that you can even double your income, that's
Yeah.
really good.
Yep. Yeah, there goes gold breaking through. Got dynamite on the side now. Yep. Ripping.
Yeah, we got news in 5 too.
Yeah. Better to SMT divergence off a clip. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I might hop off though, Nick. Got maintenance here.
Cool. All right, man. Do your thing.
All right, bet, bro. So I'll talk to you a little bit later. Chat, have a blessed day. Good day, everyone in Zoom. Have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, brother. Enjoy it.
Peace, bro.
Later.
Thank you.
Come hang out later.
Peace. All right.
All
Hit
right,
you
man.
up.
See ya.
All right, peace.
Peace. He's gone. He's gone. In Ecuador, the monthly payment for an 8-hour job is 400. There you go. Right? So imagine making like, how much is that? Monthly. So imagine making 1% just on 100K. Imagine winning the 50K challenge account, right? And making 1 to 2% a month on that. Change your whole life over there. How do you open a funded account? You just go to any funding company's website, purchase an account, and run up their trial period. Yeah, we've been using Top One Trader, so you can go with them. They'll give you a 30% discount, or just pick whichever one you like best. Yeah, that's the one I'm using now. So yeah. Do I enter before the news or after? After. Typically, I'll end after. It looks like they're trying to price in the news here a little bit, though. Blasting through all this consolidation, which is really good. All right, grind time, Mufasas. Later. Later, champ. Later. Got to take these headphones off, man. Damn, 60% of the time, 100% of the time. I forget the name of the movie. Oh, man. Ah, dude, I can't remember. Give me a hint. Do I use indicators? No, I don't use any indicators. The only indicators I use is the time really on the clock to know when volume's coming in, and then I use pure candlestick price action. That's about it. Anchorman, that's right, Anchorman. Yeah. Oh yeah. By the way, I wanted to let you guys know too about one thing. So Top One has a rule, and you can buy an add-on to where you don't need to do this. But there's a rule, and they give you a soft breach. If you open a trade with no stop loss, you're gonna open the trade and immediately get out of the trade. So keep that in mind. Or you can buy the add-on, and you can use no stop loss. But you all know I always trade with a stop loss. I always recommend a stop loss. I think that's a good rule, to be honest. But just keep that in mind. Yeah, keep that in mind as you take trades, because you may enter into a trade with no stops, and then all of a sudden you're not in the trade. So yeah, keep it in mind. Yeah, there goes the news, man. Nice drive down here. Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. So 4-hour lows have been wiped out here, which is pretty good. And yeah. So we'll wait for a 1 hour closure here. If we can get a 1 hour close if we can get this 1 hour candle to pull back, right, and close something like this, then I think we're in for a nice continuation and a nice wick fill coming back into the zone here. Later. Let's see how the news came out here and see what we got going on. All right, so yeah, got positive news for the dollar. Therefore, the gold should move down here. So yeah, we gotta wait. I'm not gonna enter obviously right here. I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close up in 13 minutes and see if it can pull back for us. If it can pull back and we get that what I just drew out, then I think we have a nice wick fill ahead of us here. Especially with news coming out good for the dollar, we should continue down. Should continue down. PMI positive for the Dixie. Yeah, DX. Yep, good news on the dollar here today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dollar. Oh, wow. Dollar went down here too, but we should move up. Holy. What do I use to see the news? I just use Forex Factory right here. So the numbers come out right here. This is just like the general place to go. There's other places that you can purchase, other sites you can purchase and have like news come in a little bit earlier for you. But yeah, it's just the one that I use. Either way, I'm not really anticipating the news. I'm kind of looking to see where the direction of price goes from the news and then go about taking trades. By the way, gang, we're getting the website all finished up here. Yeah, working on it. Yeah, if you guys have anything that you'd like me to add onto the website, anything like that, let me know, and we'll look into it. Two perfect wick entries. Hey, nice, Patrick. Good stuff. Nice. Yeah, so we'll see if we can get a pullback here. Got about 10 minutes. Add a Quaker section. Yeah, I'm bringing the kids over to the hospital later to meet their new little brother. I have an edge, but it doesn't work, or it does work good, but I don't have sufficient balance to trade. Some advice to get prop firm challenge. Yeah, I mean, if you have a good edge and it's working really well, now you need capital. The only answer to that question is apply for a funded challenge, right? If you have the skill, you just need more capital. That's going to be your best way to go. Or you can spend time and make money and build an account. But if you want to put your skills to the test and you've just looking for more capital, then yeah, I would go with a funded account. Yep. Yeah, start small, learn the news, and then make your way up to bigger accounts. Like and sub, baby. Hey, if you guys can like the stream, sub to the channel. Let's get it. Put your MT5 on the website and your bank account information. Yeah, got a nice bleeder here. Later. The challenge is paid, right? Yeah, you have to pay for a challenge. Yep, you pay for a challenge and you go ahead and take the challenge and then see what you could do with it. Yeah. What are your goals for this challenge this year, Nick? My goals are to really help traders understand the game for real, not the imaginary game that they think is real on Instagram and social media, but to really set the expectations right. I always say, I think if more people had the right expectations coming into trading, they may last longer, right? Because it's not that people are afraid to do the work. It's just that they're expecting to do no work at all because they've been fed this lie and have been deceived that trading is so easy and you can show up to the charts every day and you can make a bunch of money and life is going to be awesome and incredible. And yes, all that is true, but that takes a lot of time. That takes time, that takes experience, that takes, going through the failures, going through the journey, right? There's a sowing and reaping process, right? There's a time to learn and then there's a time to earn. And I think most people and it's not that it's something wrong with them, it's something wrong in their perception by what has been put out to them, that they think that there's not a learning phase, right? That it's just come in and earn. So I think if we can continue to express the professionalism of really having a system and a playbook and letting people know it's not easy. It ain't gonna be easy. This is whatever accomplishments you've made up into this point in your life, it's gonna take the same effort and commitment to have those accomplishments here. It's not just gonna be a quick overnight success. And I think again, if we can set those expectations right, then you guys or new people would have a better time, right? Because if you know what to expect, you're more able to last the round, right? Same thing in boxing, right? If you're expecting punches, you're gonna kind of shake them off. But if you get punched out of nowhere at a bar where you're not expecting it, you're most likely getting knocked out. And most people enter the trading space as if they're in the bar and they get knocked out clean on their hearts, and it puts them out, and it's trading's not for me. But if they knew that they were walking into a fight, they would be better prepared to protect themselves and put themselves in a much better position to win. So it's a bold statement, but we want to see if we can decrease the losing rate and increase the success rate here in this industry. So that's the goal for me over the next 12 months with this group. Yep. Good question. That's the vision. How long do you think to wait before investing some more money? Jamal, I would say go for it, man. Go for it now. 5% a week on a demo. Go for it. Put a couple bucks into an account. Something that's not going to hurt you. Something that if you lose, you won't care. It won't affect you. And see what you got with the live account. What up, Sam Capital? My man. What's goody? Been trading for 6 years. Started being profitable and consistent 6 months ago. Nice. You're 100% right. Yeah. Yeah, now imagine if someone told you, like, yo, bro, telling you this week, all you got to do is put money in an account. Money starts flying into your bank account. Right? First week, you blow your entire capital. You're going, what the heck? It's not what I expected. I'm not doing this. Right? But if I give it to you straight and I tell you that it's not going to be easy and that's going to take work, now you know what to expect on your journey. Yeah. What book do you recommend for psychology? The Magic of Thinking Big. I think we just need to think bigger, friends. I think we need to believe bigger. You know, a lot of us lack belief, right? Got to get your self-image up and your belief level up. And then I think you'll be on the right path. Trading's like a 2 or 3 year degree. Yeah. Yeah, that's why the Quakers are mad, bro. They come on the live stream, they're like, yo, what's going on? Notice how they were gone, right? Notice how they tried to hit us when we were in drawdown. It's like, come on, that doesn't hurt me, but it hurts you, right? Because the laws of success are not going to reward you when you're a person of that nature. It's just doesn't happen. So I feel bad for some of these guys, but hopefully we can help them out. Congrats on your baby. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. By the way, yeah, we had the baby yesterday. Yesterday, little boy. Oh, they're demanding Sam. Sam, what's good? Deposit 10K today and then buy a Lambo with a hot chick in the passenger seat and move to Dubai next month. Yo, that's good. It's funny, but that's kind of what they say. Yeah, What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, another great book. You should start charging for the live streams too. Yeah. Chat will be quick. The whole chat will be quaking on that one. They want to take the shirt off your back. My bad, Zoom. I'm just catching up with these messages here. Top one scalable till 5 mil? Yes. Yep. Congrats, such a blessing. Yeah, we had the baby yesterday, guys. It was a baby boy. Not too long after the live stream. So, yeah. Beautiful baby boy. My wife is doing awesome. Little man's doing great. It was a very quick, flawless, seamless entrance into the world, just as we prayed for and expected, right? Whenever we pray, we expect to receive what we pray for. And, yeah, happened flawlessly, man. It was 1 contraction, 3 pushes. Baby was out. Quick, like literally 5 minutes. Yep. Oh, wait, Sam, are you on Zoom? Are you? Pull up. I'll hang out for another few minutes. Thank you, Flippin' Shh. Thanks, brother. Appreciate that, man. My wife's still in the hospital? Yeah, she's going to come home tonight. So I'm going to bring the kids over there and stuff a little bit later. Yeah. Yeah, but she's doing awesome. Yeah, everything was so smooth. Praise God. Is getting child in USA very expensive? It all depends on your definition of expensive, my friend. I don't think anything's expensive. I just think more money will solve the issue, so I just focus on making more money. I don't even focus on making more money. I just focus on becoming a person that attracts wealth, that attracts money. And money just comes to me. Yeah. Thank you guys. Yeah, thanks. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, thank you guys for your prayers. They made the biggest difference. I was telling when we all gathered in prayer yesterday, I truly believe that was such a game changer. So yeah, price closed right here as support. So we didn't really get much of a pullback. Wanted to potentially trade these this range here, but price closed all the way down here at the bottom of the range. So yeah, we got no top wick here. You may end up coming up to make that top wick. We'll see. But no sells here for me. GJ, we still need a bearish closure. So we got that bullish close we drew up. And now if we get a bearish close below, then there may be an opportunity there for us. And then, yeah, Nas just not going to touch it. Just, what do we call this again? Barcode strategy. Yeah, barcode. Yo, they better have fixed that dinner from salmon to a ribeye, man. Otherwise, I'm bringing my own ribeye. No boogers in the nose? Yeah, I think they may have had a couple boogers in the nose. Baby wants to get started. Yo, I'll be bringing my own ribeye, bro. I like your passion, commitment. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. I am very passionate. I am very committed. In these situations like these, do we just sit on our hands before entering? Yeah. You want to wait for ideal A+ setups, gang. Always. In every situation. You know, you really don't want to just... I mean, you can, but I think as a professional, it's always best to just sit back, wait for the A+ setups. If they come, they come. If they don't, they don't. Thank you, Krish. Nah, seriously, yo, your guys, all y'all, those prayers just really mean the world to me. If you guys didn't do another thing for me, and to set another prayer for me, I'd just be super grateful for what you've already done in the spiritual realm, in prayer. There's so much power in prayer, and we experience that pretty much every day. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for the prayers. How much do I make a month? $9.99. What is an 8+ setup? No, an A+, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Yeah, A+. A+. We did a video. It's called The Playbook. You guys can check out the Playbook video. And I'm going to rehash the whole Playbook video when I move into my new spot, too. And I'm probably going to do a few other videos, too. But yeah, you can look at the Playbook video. Those are the A+ setups that I use. Yeah, gold. Yeah, we got to get below that support at this point. Oh, wow. Look, now Nas moving down here. Oh, wow. Yeah, GJ coming up. Finally going to do this pullback, I believe. Yeah, notice how we've been struggling in this zone here for 1, 2, 3, so 4, so about 2.5 hours here. Can I use your spreadsheet? Of course. Just hit exclamation points journal and it'll pop up. Yeah, I'll hang out with you guys till the kids get up. We may get another trade in, depending on how long we wait. Would I take a trade with A+ setup before news? No. No, very rarely will you guys see me enter a position like right before news, because then it can go any which way. Marvette. What up, Marvette? You got some money for me? Let me get $1. Yo, Green, let me spare me $1, bro. Oh, there he is. Sam popped right on. Hold on, Sam. Let me unmute you real quick.
Yo, yo, yo.
Sammy boy, how you doing today?
What's good? How are you, bro?
What's
Yo,
good?
Congratulations, dude.
Thank
I'm so
you,
happy
bro.
for you.
Thanks, brother. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I had
It's
a feeling
awesome.
that was going to happen yesterday. Once my wife came in the morning and she was like, yeah, I'm having contractions, like OD. And, you know, it's her third time around, so she should know what's up. So, yeah, they went over there and they were like, yeah, you're going to have this baby today. I was like, holy.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's
Holy.
crazy, bro. Yeah, whenever John was saying about it, I was like, wow, no way.
Yeah, man. Yep.
Yeah.
How'd you do yesterday? Had a good day?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. I didn't
Nice.
do too much, really. Just chilling, honestly. Yeah, it should be nicer.
You get that figured out yet with your phone and all that?
Maybe.
Semi?
Yeah, like at least, so it's like, but like if I were to text you right now, like it would come through as my email. But like I could at least use it while I'm
You're
out.
at that point?
Yeah.
You're almost there.
Yeah, well, like I can still use it while I'm like out though.
You got internet now.
But, like without
Connection.
Wi-Fi. Yeah, but it's like my number whenever I text someone. It's,
Gotcha.
yeah, I don't know. Whatever though, it works.
Yeah.
I'll add you,
Hopefully.
TK.
That damn
I
dude.
might have to, honestly.
Telling you that two-step A2 verification. I hate that thing, man. One time
Yeah,
I had a
bro.
bunch of money sitting in I think it was Hugo's way. Yeah, dude. They I got a new phone and they're like, no, in order to withdraw this, you need to do the two-step whatever verification. I think it was called the authenticator, right? Authenticator or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, oh my God, I had to go through hoops and bounds to get that, bro. Like, they even had me taking pictures, writing, my name is this is the date. Like, it was crazy. Like, yo, never again am I doing this two-step authenticator BS.
But I just hate it because it's like you have to sit there and work with them. It's like I wish I could just sit there and like figure it out all myself, dude. Like you guys sit there and then like sit there on the phone with them, and then they're like, "All right, I'm gonna have to put you on hold. Is that okay?" And then you sit there for like 10 minutes just to get to the next step. You're like, "Holy shit!" I'm like, "Is there a store I can go to or something?" I tried too. They had like a corporate store. Pulled up to it. Some doors I started pulling on them, dude. They were all locked. I was like, wow.
Security.
Yeah, bro. What up, Marvette? How are you? I'm good.
Marvette.
How are you, Marvette?
Oi, Oi's in the chat. Oi.
Hey.
Oi.
Yeah, we see some boys in the chat. Traded?
All my dudes from
Go.
Ireland are like, oi.
Oi, mate.
Oi.
Yeah. Yeah, whatever. I'm glad that it wasn't nothing crazier than it was. Yeah, bro. I just joined in too, and like it looked like it was just ranging all morning, huh?
Yeah, we took a 1 hour celery up here. Try and target that wick fill in the 4 hour, but closed around 12 pips there. I think the whole thing ran.
Oh no.
I tried closing, but it pulled back a few pips.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tried
happens,
closing at like 18, but I think I got 12 or 13. Ask a Quaker. He knows exactly how much I got. Not just kidding. 13.5, bro. I seen it. Congrats on the baby. Oh, thank you. How long does it do you wait to take a trade? However long it takes. Yeah, we already took one trade today. So, yeah, you gotta wait, man. Yeah, gotta wait for a good setup. That's how it goes in trading. Could be minutes, could be hours, could be days. There's been I think we had a no trade week once. Yeah, we had a week where we took no trades. We had a week where we had another week where we took like 12, 13, 14 trades. So it all depends on what the market's providing.
Yeah, I think the longest it was like a week and a half we waited once.
Yeah.
I was fine with that too.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah,
It's
sometimes it
July.
happens. July, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so gold
Oh
is
yeah, so you
kind of
did
like,
have a nice buy or something. Yeah, W.
yeah, we took a buy right here. We were targeting this, but grab profits like right in here.
Okay. Yeah,
But,
that's not bad at all. It's like
yeah.
a perfect time of the year to just be taking in your piece from the market.
Yeah, seriously. I mean, I think a lot of us are forgetting we're still in literally the first like 3 weeks of market, the yearly open here. So of course it's gonna be a little bit sideways, and gotta get ripping up.
Yeah, I had like 2 or 3 trades and I was like, where I had like 10 or 11 pips and I was like, okay, I could have closed some, but I just went break even and
Yeah.
come back at my break even. I'm like, dang.
Yeah, it's all good. But I think a lot of guys aren't even trading yet. Like a lot of my friends haven't even hit the markets yet this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
a
no,
nasty zone
exactly.
here.
Like we haven't even really, like once Powell comes out and speaks next Wednesday.
Yeah, next
Chat.
Wednesday, I think. Yep. Yeah, let's see what
Yeah.
happened last year. Last year we got off to the races come really March. Yeah, really March is when we really got going last year. Trades started stacking up. You had to trade almost every day.
Yeah. Yeah, once March comes too, that's I
Yeah.
agree, 100%. March.
And then
March is when you always see some crazy stuff happen in the world too.
yeah,
Yeah,
and we got
think
elections
about it.
coming up this year too, so that should be pretty nuts.
Yeah, we're gonna be loaded up. This is gonna be a good year for trading.
Yeah.
Compared to like last year and everything, yeah, 100%.
Yeah. Yep. Sleepy Joe might be out of the White House here this year, so we should ramp up.
Yeah, true. Dude slump.
Hold on one sec. Someone's at my door.
I love West Coast trading. Usually done by 8. BSC. Oh dang, wait, so what time is that for us though? 11? Yeah, that's not bad. Bring Sleepy Joe to bed. Pause. You know, Louis G. Hawkish market means gold bleed. If the Fed is hawkish, yeah. Yeah, because if the Fed's hawkish, that means they're leaning more towards wanting to move the interest rates up. And if we have higher interest rates, that makes it less favorable to purchase your assets like gold, stocks, etc. Me up London tomorrow? I don't know, bro. Last 2 days, I say up London. I get break-even trades. And yo, Paras, I think you've seen the one that I had. If I wouldn't have put my break even, but I don't see a situation where I would have ever not went break even there. So that's why, whatever. But yeah, it would have been a nice one. But yeah, no, I don't know. We'll see. I don't think so. I want to be up for New York with the boys. What's the advice? If I want to find on the end of the month? I'm not sure what you mean, Margaret. We're trying to figure out fundamentals. Yeah. Nah, honestly, I'm proud of a lot of you guys too. Yeah, even Nick, bro. Nick's good at it as well. Reading the Forex Factory really quick now. I love it. I love seeing. Yeah, and it's like, you know, I love seeing it how, you know, I can't see your guys' terminals and that like we can't Nick's, but for the most part, it doesn't seem like too many of you are like, you know, looking to like actually trade the news. You're more or less just looking to help it give you like an idea what the direction the price may want to go, which is like ultimately like what I use it for most of the time as well. But yeah, just hope you learn the price. Nas buy played out great. Nice. Yeah, bro. Nasdaq's been going up every day almost. It seems like.
Seriously. Moving on up.
Yeah, gold needs. We need power to come, bro. That has to be what is gonna break us out of this like big 4-hour range, in my opinion. Well, actually, I think Friday you might be able to see some more volume because of that'll be our last bit of news to do with inflation data before Powell speaks Wednesday. So like, if there's gonna be anything gives us a chance, it'd be that. GJ is going down. DJ is garbage. Let's look at GJ. I'm gonna look at it. Oh yeah, it looks like it might. Yeah, it kind of looks like you got a 1-hour salary going here. 4-hour looks good. I don't know how much further it might go though, because you have that support down there to your left. Did like 8 pips. Bros.
Oh, my bad. I got people working here today.
No, you're good. Nah, it's my bad. I came on here late. Yeah, and I know you said you wanted to close up shop, so.
Oh no, we go. I was gonna wait for the kids.
Oh,
to wake up.
okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I'm just chilling.
Yeah, sir. What you got going on today?
Well, I don't know. Figure some of this out with this phone. I gotta go do chest. and
Oh,
I think I'm
gym
gonna do
set.
shoulders. Yeah, of course. I'm gonna go hit up the store too, so I need to get some more stuff. More what I want.
Yeah. Love me some Nas. Yo, Forex Frank's killing Nas.
Yeah, true. It seems like a lot of people are, honestly.
Yeah, what were you guys talking about? Fundamentals and stuff?
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, I learned a lot in that boot camp, man. Like, I know I was doing some of the teaching, but I was a student. Like, once I got off, I was sitting back as if it wasn't my boot camp. Like, I was learning from Sam, learning from Rafi, taking my own notes. And I feel like I've drastically improved, too, with my sense of direction with some of the numbers and the news and all that good stuff.
Yeah, I always listen.
So
to
appreciate
what
you,
what I-
man.
Yeah, no, I appreciate you too. Yeah, no, you guys don't understand. I feel like ever since we had that too, man, because like honestly, if you think about it, like behind the scenes, like well, I got that one thing, like now I'm funded at TFT. And
Yeah,
if you think about whenever that happened,
Yep.
that was like right after the boot camp happened.
Yep.
And I did all that through December. But yeah,
Love it.
that was great timing too for all that, for me personally. But yeah, boot camp was fire. I can't wait for the next one. I'm cooking up like a new. I want to improve the, what do you call it? The playbook thing that we have
Yeah.
for the fundamentals.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's just like, hey, if you're expecting green numbers for this, then gold will do this, and then like just have it like a key for like a map
Yep.
kind of thing.
Yep. I love it. Yeah, this
Yeah.
this 2.0 is gonna be sick. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Yeah, we got a lot more new stuff to talk about here, and we still have a month or so to get some more experience on some of this that we're talking about. So yeah, it should be a good one. Still doing push-ups? Yeah, I hit 100 today. Yeah, I asked chat where y'all were at, but I didn't get any responses. So I think some of y'all fell off on the push-ups.
Now I'm gonna have to do something. Nah, I love push-ups though.
Jay, just because we stop saying it as often, don't mean we stop doing it. All right? Come on, y'all. Nick, you ruined my life. Oh, man. We fell off like golden. Let's go, Louis G. Where's Stephen B? Was it Stephen B? Yeah, where them push it? Where you at, Stephen? Oh, okay, there he is. I was making sure, bro. Yeah, no, we took one trade today, a little bit earlier, around NY Open. Took a buy here. Had a 1 hour celery play. So took a buy. Was looking to target up here, but closed partials. And that was it. That was it for us here today so far.
Yeah, that's awesome though. Yeah, that's all you need.
Where y'all at? Where them push-ups at?
Election fundamentals secret in 2.0.
Oh.
Nah, but we're gonna be talking about like a lot of things. Like it's gonna be like perfect timing for like the year, bro. Like if I could like draw it out in a way, like we'll have like beginning of the year, you'll have your usually you see some geopolitical tensions kick off in some sort of like in March, end of February. At least we have over the last couple of years.
Yeah.
So we could look at that, but we can like map it all out like without going too deep. Like boom, we'll have Wednesday next week. We'll have our first big picture event for the charts with Powell coming to the chart, the FOMC, and if he's gonna come with a dovish tone, then it's like who knows, this might be the bottom for the year, and then we start moving up if he's like looking to speak more dovish.
Yeah.
And then we'll go from there to next event and then just go through it. But
It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Can't give him the sauce here, though.
yeah, no,
Can't give you the sauce.
I ain't gonna say it all.
This is your gold daily chart here, right? So if we can looking into tomorrow, right? So as a professional trader, typically I'll take my trades and then I'll look towards the next day, right? So we have all this barcode strategy playing out here, but look, if I'm gonna show you guys something here. So you got this support, right? That we have not been able to really close below just yet, right? So this bearish candle wasn't able to close below yet. This bullish candle obviously wasn't. So if you do get a bearish close now below, I think the weekly will be ready to go down, right? So if you can get a closure below here today like this, then I think we should be good to come on down, retest this 2004, 2005, and then you may see a push, right? You may see an even stronger push back below 2000. So it all depends. We want to see a closure below that support level though on the daily, so we can expect the next daily candle to, make a top wick, break the lows, and at least retest support here. So that's what I'm looking at as we move towards tomorrow. And I think we got 2 days left on the the weekly, right? Today's Wednesday, we said. Today is Wednesday.
That makes sense too, thinking about like moving into next week, because like if you get that drive down into here, then you have like
The
you're
wick
at these
fill,
previous highs here.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah,
I'll keep the weekly there.
Yeah, like you have those previous highs here on the weekly. We keep driving down here on the week. You're down here at this level or wherever you want to draw it, and then next week maybe we can move up with Powell.
Yep.
But we'll see.
Yeah, that would make a lot of sense actually. Yeah,
How do
that would. I got you. You want me to erase it?
There we go. I got it.
Yeah, and that would also that would push our monthly candle up as well. So we'll get the finish. We'll finish off on the weekly wick fill, right? If the next daily candle wants to tap into that support, we tap in, and then like Sam was saying, now the monthly is good to flip bullish and fill the wick, depending on the news, right? How we see Powell approach this next week.
Yeah, but it's looking good for it to keep coming down. Just in
Yeah.
terms of like price action and everything. You can get that
Yep.
closure below at least.
Yep. All right, yeah, I think that'll do it for me today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll
Yeah,
close up
awesome.
shop.
Thanks for letting me hop on here real quick. It's
Yeah,
cool to
no, thanks
talk.
for coming on the tail end,
Yeah.
man. Appreciate it.
Congrats again too. Bro.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Excited for you,
Gonna-
bro.
Gonna go see the
Crazy.
baby now and bring the little ones over there later and have a great day here today. I'm gonna have a nice salmon dinner tonight. No, I'm just kidding. It better be a steak, otherwise I'm bringing my own ribeye, bro. I'm bringing my own
Yeah.
ribeye.
Yeah,
Yo,
that's what
but-
you need to do, bro. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah,
Yeah, bro.
man. But
All right,
yeah, I'll
well-
see you tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, chat. And yeah, take it easy, Nick. I'm out of here. Zoom.
All right, brother.
too.
See you later, bro.
Yep. Take it
Later,
easy.
G. All right, chat. Love y'all. Hey, thanks again for the prayers, man. Really appreciate you guys. We'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place, and see what we can do with the markets. Love you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Many, 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 many blessings.